Whoa, 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 Spy. Jesus, this is getting crazy. So I decided to get some SPY puts right around here because the MACD was about to cross and everything looked like it was bearish, little low volume pump, and now I'm up freaking 88% on a decent sized trade. This is crazy. So, I mean, sorry I wasn't live to tell you guys about that one, but this one is wild. UVXY is pumping. Amy's selling off a little bit here though, which kind of sucks. Holy shit. These 90% on this SPY trade right now. This market, give me that money, people. What's up, Squirrel? How you doing? So for everybody filtering in right now, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. We are going to just be printing money until the end of the day here. SPY looks like it's really getting selly over here. I accidentally moved the other box that was here. It's right at like 423 is essentially where it is, I think. So I'm going to kind of watch these really, really closely and then get out if things start to look bad. But where are we looking at here? Oh, yeah. Looks good across the board right now. So hopefully everybody's having a good day. What's happening on the SPY news? Just Russia stuff. Where are the shills? The shills can come in here all they want. Let's see. UVXY, a little cool off here. SPY, cool. I mean, that's a big drop. Let's see what happens if it comes up to test this box here. And just kind of see what happens. These are up 73% right now. Printers go brrr. Yep, you still holding the Oxy puts? I actually am not. No, I cut those. Is Oxy tanking? I cut those like before I ate lunch. I just didn't like them. Those would have been they would have been a little red, I think. VIX, I was up 80% on SPY calls, didn't sell, turned into 30%, just sold before I lost it all. Whoo! Woo! Close one there, buddy. Man. I mean, this one, it's not a 1348 trade. This was more of like SPY looks like it's gonna dump with all the technicals and what's going on here. But let's see. This could get really nasty into close, people. So AMC right now is at 1571, just kind of chilling out over here. Oxy coming down a little bit. GME moving down. Like number 70, almost 69. Yeah, guys, if you don't mind hitting that like button on your way in, just helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Let's see. Yeah, so it's gonna come up and test this little lower end of this box here. If it rejects here, it's gonna get nasty. So Chipotle or Moe's, dude, that's not even a question. All day, every day, Chipotle. You made up your horrible Oxygen decision. There you go. Oh, I didn't get no. So there's no Chipotle around here. There's just a Moe's. I got like there's like a sushi bowl place, but I didn't get sushi. I got chicken. Trying to be healthier. Going to the gym today too. Getting back on the horse. All right, let's see what happens with SPY here. You got 2 minutes. Yeah, 3 minutes left on this 1 minute candle. It's coming up to test the lower end of this range here. I wouldn't put it past Kenny to have asked Putin to invade another country so he could cover his AMC short. No, they're not. There's not really any signs of like widespread covering on this thing. So, I mean, these SPY puts are 50 cents in the money. I got the 427. So I got the at the money or just one strike out of the money. Could have gone a little bit further. Would have been up a little bit more, but it wasn't worth it to me. I spent a little bit of money on it too. So let's see how this ends up. Never reject the box. Yes, man. All right. So let's see. Amy getting a little bit of a pop here. SPY 5-minute MACD still looks bearish. Looks like it wants to cross. It's so on the 1 minute, it's rejecting at this box right here. So let's see. The 5 minute, you can kind of see it, but on the 1 minute, it's really showing you it doesn't really want to get back up in here. Let's see what happens though. Keith, thank you so much for the super. You buy puts SCV. Why do you hate puppies, babies, in the truth? You diabolical hedgy. Keith, I appreciate the super, buddy. Thank you very much. No, I'm not a diabolical hedgy. I just like to make money in the market. Let's see. I mean, these were up a lot more. They're up 56% now. I'm kind of letting these go for a little bit. So another closing 1 minute candle starting to come back down. Let's see. 5 minute candle. Yeah. Waiting for the next. So we got 1 minute for this 5 minute candle to close. If it closes again down below, see, they might try to push it up into this box and then send it back up. If it doesn't though, and it closes below, could be gnarly here, people. SPY went down. Yes, it did. Hit that like. Got back to the meetings. I'll be listening in. There you go. His squirrel is a bad influence. Yes, his squirrel is a very bad influence. All right, let's see what they do with this candle. You got less than a minute to go. All right, 1 minute MACD crossed up. Amy chilling around here, trying to bounce up here a little bit. Ooh, there it is. So they're gonna let it close inside the box, I think, unless that somebody comes in and sends it lower. If they do that, I'll take it and run. I think I can always get back in later. We got time. We got like 40 minutes if we want to get into more SPY puts. It's still below the box here. Woo! All right, people. 420 is just a dip, up 100% on SPY puts. All right. Oh. That 5-minute candle closed below. Oh boy. Here we go. This could get a little silly. Here we go. I mean, I'm not like enjoying it, but I mean, I am enjoying making money. So 1574 on Amy, 118.32 on Jimmy. Let's see what we're getting over here. We wanted boom booms 2 Fridays ago. We always want boom booms, but we'll see what happens. Spy flickering over here. Oxy selling off here. Let's see. Spy doing its thing up 63%. There you go. If it closes below, would you say one more day trade put? No, I'm not going to add to it here. I mean, I spent like not a lot, but I mean, a lot for me on a little YOLO. That's not a 1348 trade. All right. It's peeking its head back into this range here. I might take this and run. Take it and run. Take it and run. Let's see. Let's give it a minute. It's rejecting this 13 EMA. I don't know. I'm just kind of watching this right here to see what it does at this 13. Yeah, it's coming up. So if it gets above this 13 EMA over here and closes, maybe we'll do that on the 1 minute. That's kind of what I'm looking for over here. Alrighty, folks. We need some green. We do need some green. Embrace the darkness. Lou said, trust me, bro. Dude, I might have to do a video tonight about the March 3rd nonsense. Like, there's literally nothing about March 3rd. All right, back down on the SPY. Amy, 1578. What are we down today? 4%. GME's up 0.38. Not bad over there. All right, so SPY's moving back down over here. Closed every put. Now we're regretting. I did too. So I closed my Apple and my SoFi, but I got back in. I barely used any money today. The first 2 trades that we had. Oh, how is SoFi? That's a good question. Did SoFi really get selly? No, not really. SoFi's holding right around 10 pretty well. So let's see what happens with that. I mean, these SPY contracts are killer over here. Robinhood sure likes to tell me when AMC is down 5%, never when it's up. Yeah, screw them. Bunch of a-holes over there at freaking Vlad. All right, SPY moving back down over here. Everything's going to probably get dragged down with it. Where's TLT and UVXY? I've been watching those a little bit. TLT usually leads the SPY a little bit. Actually, TLT coming down. Interesting. UVXY probably coming up. UVXY. Yeah, UVXY little candle over here. You're all out of settled cash. You close 1/3 at 116%. Yeah, SCV Squirrel. If these go up 100%, I'll sell half and make it free. And just ride the other contract out. I only have 2 of them, but they were the first strike out, so they were a little bit more expensive. I think I spent $240 on these. They're like little YOLOs at the end of the day. Let's see. Waiting for that draft. Yeah, that would not be ideal. Then we can't buy puts on the SPY. All right, so flickering around over here. Let's see what we get. You get some SPY puts yet? I got SPY puts right. Where's the 5-minute chart? Right as the 5-minute MACD was crossing. I think it was this 5-minute candle I got them on. So crushing it right now on SPY puts. So I got the 427s and they're currently up. Oh my God, these are killer. These are currently up 74%. And it's coming down pretty hard now. UVXY is coming up. Amy's, it's getting... T's Rop had a really nice day. Yeah, that's T0, right? Do you think this is the bottom? There's another zone on the here it comes. So there's another zone like right here, a 425, I think, on the SPY that I have. That's like, it's getting a little sally. So, this is a 1-minute candle. That's not that big. Yeah, it's coming back down a little here. All right, let's see what we get. Happy birthday. It's not my birthday, but thank you very much. Squirrel crushing it on SPY puts. Dude, Squirrel always crushes it on SPY puts. All right, people. Yeah, as you're filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. AMC has done nothing but go down. Why would they notify otherwise? That's fair, but at the same time, like, we can't get mad about AMC going down when the market's just dragging it down. Like, the market's not having fun. And again, if the market's going down, contrary to what the shills were saying in the live stream this morning, we do want to make money. So it allows you. See, here's how I view this right now. Made a bunch of money on puts today. Now I'm not as worried about my AMC position being down. I think it's like 35% or something crazy like that. My GME position is down a lot. So I'm just kind of here like, all right, well, I'm making back the gains. I'm flickering around. It's going to take some time to build this account back up, but like, it's going to be fine. What is your opinion on holding SPY overnight? Well, my contracts they expired today. So I have to do something with these by close. They're in the money right now. They're doing pretty good. 77% on them right now. Amy flickering around here. UVXY coming back up. SPY. I mean, this is the 1-minute candle. Yeah, I'm just looking at this. So the 13 EMA is now below the box. So if it comes up in test, it's not going to get back up into the box probably. Do you think this is the bottom for AMC? Depends on what the market's going to do. Made 50% on IWM puts. Just did a YOLO IWM call. Careful. All right, so here comes SPY, another test of this 13. Didn't make a new low off of it, though, so that's interesting. It might want to come back up here. 58% on. These are volatile buggers. All right, Amy trying to make a move back up here. SPY trying to get back into this box. Let's see. Did reverse repo hit all-time high today? 1.7. I haven't seen. I think we've seen 1.9. We've almost seen 2 trillion on reverse repo before, I believe. It was like 1.98 or something. Like we've seen 1.7 a lot on RRP. Let's see. See, this is a great rogue civilian. There you go. We use the 1348. I don't even worry about the AMC price. I add more on dips and wait for MOS. Exactly. Lucid question. I watch it cross on the 3-minute, but it's already below on the 5-minute. Now what? Nothing. It's a dud. Sometimes they just don't. Sometimes the alerts. That's why we try to teach you guys to kind of see like, all right, this is what you need to look at for like when we're going to get in, like when we want it. Oh, did this close above? No. Okay. So that's kind of what we look at it. SPY. So that's what we're looking at. It's like, okay, sometimes when you get alerted on the 3-minute, on the 5-minute, it's wonky and it's not going to work correctly. So some of the alerts are not going to play out the way that we want them to, but that's fine. You don't need to take every single alert that we get. All right, it's still trying here. I'm just watching this 1 minute on the 13 EMA. UVXY coming back up here. Watch SPY start to come down a little bit here. Thank you, Nicky Ricky. Anytime, buddy. Yeah, so that one would be a dud. So I don't know. It doesn't. It's tried to get back into this box a few times, but just hasn't done it. So we'll see. Beanbag, I'm averaging around 10. STV got wrenched. Dude, that's a good one. Found out about 1348 on my birthday a week ago. Best gift ever. Caesar. Woo! There we go. Here comes the SPY back down. Bought more SPY puts right before 1. Feeling pretty good. There you go. SB should trade. Should one trade during lunch hours? I got burnt on a cross. Depends. It like that. I hate to say it depends, but like it does depend. Like it depends on if there's news. It depends on if it's just a dud weird cross happening. Like it really does depend on market context. That's why I try to get everybody and I incorporate this into some of my videos and most of my live streams now. That if you're trading, like you need to know what's going on in the market to be like, all right, this is kind of what we're looking at. Don't paper hand. It is yesterday's low and weak. That's what I'm thinking too. I'm watching it at this 13 EMA. They might try to fake me out at one point and shoot it up a little bit before it comes down out of this box. That's kind of what I'm looking at on SPY. Honestly, I might just trade mostly SPY from now on. Like these last couple of days, like and watching it more and like fine tuning the strategy, it's like there's so much opportunity on this thing every single day. Bottom for AMC seems to be 14-ish. Yeah, right down there. If it's going to get that low. Yeah. All right, UVXY flickering here. All right, I might take my Band-Aid off and let my finger air out for the stream. What do you guys think of that? Oh, it looks gnarly. It looks gnarly. It's fine. It's not that bad. I'm being dramatic. Why not QQQ? Because there's more expiration dates on the SPY, so you can get cheap contracts that appreciate a lot. Do you mind explaining your box strategy? It's just supply and demand zones. There's a lot of videos out there. I know Trey has a video on it. Then there's this guy, Carmine Rosado. He makes a lot of good videos on supply and demand zones. That's what he like exclusively uses on different time frames too. So you can really mess around with them. SPY looks freaking good here. So I know there's another box level down like right here at 425-ish. So we could end up selling down into that. But I just had to delete it because I didn't lock it and I accidentally moved it and I couldn't move it back. Let your ankles out too. You know, it's getting wild when Vix takes his Band-Aid off. You're trying to let me see. It's not. I mean, I could show you, but like, it's not that bad anymore. But it's gnarly. If you saw it, you'd be like, ah. Do you still have your puts on SoFi? No, I sold those. SPY coming down here again on this 5-minute. Let's see it on the 1 minute. Yeah, 1 minute's rejecting off the 13 and selling pretty hard. UVXY popping up a little bit here. So let's see. These contracts are up 77%. Woo! Making money over here, people. Making the market maker my bitch. What's good? What's up, Long? How you doing? Show the finger. I feel like I'll get banned for it, right? I don't know. Hold on. I'll hold it up like this. Oh, SPY flushing. Like you can kind of see. I don't know if you can see it. It's sliced. Like it's completely sliced. 97%. All right, hold on. What do I need on this? 244. All right, I'm going to sell one of these at 244 just to make it free. Oh, did it bounce? Oh, you fuckers. All right, I'm going to send out an order. I'm going to put an order out there just for where I want my my 100% take profit to be. So I'm going to have one order out there on the SPY just in case it gets down there really quick and I want to get my order out at 100%, get my money back and then let that other contract ride. Do I have any AMC calls? I do. They're all long expiration. 140% on puts. There you go. There you go. So the finger was FUD? No, it's bad. I mean, it looks better now, but you can still see how deep it is. Like there's just like a chunk missing. All right. SPY. Are they gonna film me on this? They might now. No, not yet. They're up 91%. I need 10, 8. Oh, they're coming. They're coming. They're gonna film me on this. All right. So okay. So I've made my SPY contract free. So I have all my initial investment back, and I am riding out the profit going into close. SPY is my personal ATM. Dude, me too recently. Oh, it's flushing. There she goes. Woo! Here we go. We are literally printing money today. Oh, boy. All right, UVXY popping up here. 152%. Yeah, mine are up 105%, but I made it free at 100%. I like doing that. It makes me feel good so I can hold stuff for a little longer. But yeah. Daily press briefing, February 23rd at 2 p.m. You're going to do a press briefing. All right, UVXY coming up, SPY coming down. This is gnarly. All right, that's the AMC 1 minute. 1572 on Amy. Honestly, with these SPY moves, holding up pretty good right here. Paper hand flush. No, I just made it free at 100%. I sell half. I think I made a good decision. Join the premium. I think you did too. That's kind of how a lot of people are making a lot of money in the market now. So if you guys do want to learn that strategy that we're using, I mean, I'm going to keep telling you about it. I know some of you might be a little bit hesitant, but for this week, you can get essentially free access. If you don't like it, you just have to cancel before March 1st. So make sure you guys check that out. The link to it is pinned in the top of the chat over here. My guy, we're making money, which is good, but maybe we shouldn't cheer for SPY flushing. It's ruining everything else. See, I get what you're saying, but it's going to do what it's going to do anyway. So there's nothing I can do. Under 425 on SPY, AMC will drop to 12. I don't think so. 425. I mean, that's 40 cents in the SPY. AMC is just not going to get a giant $3 red candle down to 1348 is pure gold. Yeah. 116% on SPY puts. Thank you very much. UVXY coming up here. Jack's back. Yep. We are talking about free access to your OnlyFans. 320% on SPY. My God, how low will AMC go? Depends. We have support at 1450. If the SPY keeps selling off really, really, really hard, who knows how? I mean, it could get to like we've seen it in the 13s. So we'll see. We will see. Yeah, SPY not having fun. So let's see what we get over here. 240% on SPY. Pay my rent and bills, Mr. SPY. There you go, man. All right, UVXY chilling here. Amy coming back up a little tiny bit. Let's see. SPY moving down. Oh, man. Flushing. There it is. 120% on SPY puts. Chris, I don't think Avi's made a 1348 video. I could be wrong, but I don't think so. Guys, this is actually good. SPY broke 426 and Amy didn't drop. It's holding a floor. Very, very true. What's the target low for the SPY now that's below 425? 423 if it really gets selly. But I'm holding this last contract. I mean, I made it free. Perfectly fine if I let this go. So killing it over here. Imagine the drop when the war gets going. Typically, it sells off an invasion. I've seen a chart with this, like different wars coming out, and then it rips like after the war starts. Like it just sells off, priced in, comes back up. It's right, Rolando. You won't, Roland. You won't get charged until March 1st. So that's when you get charged. That's why we're saying if you join now, you won't get charged until the 1st. You just you do have to input your information, but you just have to remember to if you don't want to stay, you just have to cancel before March 1st. You don't get charged until then. Let's see. Rands, wow, SCV. When Wrench got a wrench, where the F is mine? Rands, yours is coming, buddy. It's coming. Did I miss news or something? There was some Russia news coming out. Oh my God, that I think they advanced like 80% of their troops. All right, we're up 130% over here on this. Killing it. Man, I'm 3 for 4 today. I cut the loss on the Oxy. I think that was it. I think that's all I traded. I think I traded Apple, SoFi, Oxy, and SPY. So I traded less today. Let's see here. Finally got level 2 options, and I'm killing it on 1348. Dude, I'm telling you, people. I'm telling you. I wouldn't tell you if it was nonsense. I wouldn't be out here like, oh, yeah, do this. No, it works. I use it every single day. Let's see. Wars are bullish. Sometimes, yeah. Sometimes. It depends. All right. SPY moving back up here a little bit. 1 minute MACD coming back to live. All righty, folks. So SPY puts 110%. Thank you very much. All righty, folks. What is 1348? Tyler, it's the EMA strategy that we like to use. You can get access to all the alerts on it for free this week if you join the premium part of the Discord. But if you're new to trading options and you don't know what you're doing, do not do it. Don't willy-nilly start going in there and trying to trade these as like buy and sell alerts, because that's not what they are. But you need to, you got to, no Moas till STV backflips. That's not going to happen. All right. Amy, honestly, holding up really good right now. UVXY flickering up. Texas gas prices could reach near $4 per gallon as energy sector responds to Russia's intentions. Oh boy. WTI crude coming down a little bit. Natural gas only up 1.45. Uncalls getting spanked. Let's see. Oh, hold on. Hold your horses on the SPY. Let's see what we got here. Just the most amazing thing that ever existed. Pretty much. Trey's mustache. I'm really happy you're doing good on it today, man. No, the alerts, I probably could backflip. I like really probably could. Like if there's like a cushiony surface, like a little bit of give, I can do them. TLT about to cross up on the 5 minute. UVXY coming down, SPY coming up. So Squirrel, if you're still here, this is what I'm thinking is the fake out right here to try to entice people back into calls. This could be it right here before it gets going to the downside. So let's see what it does at this 25 minute. See, this is why I like the 20, even on the 1 minute, right at the 25 and just flickering around over here. You made 100% on SPY calls today. Dude, I love that, man. There we go. All right. See, I mean, this is why I'm messing around with the 25. All right. SPY's coming up here a little bit. TLT's moving up. UVXY is probably coming down. I mean, I'll watch SPY at this level right here, but I swear to go to the minute I buy a put, it goes up. The minute I buy a call, it goes down. I'm over this. I'm not smart enough to do this. You are smart enough to do this. I'm new to Discord. How do I subscribe? Tyler, you just gotta, if you have a Discord account, you just gotta click the link, join in the top of the chat over here. And then there's one of the channels in the Discord is how you'll get access to the premium. It'll send you over to Patreon and then just input your information. And then if you don't want it anymore, then you cancel before the 1st. And then watch the videos though. And there's also a video out there called How to Trade Options on Webull by In the Money. That's this guy's YouTube account. Really, really good. Let's see here. Squirrel close the second at 146. Can ride the third down, 0 risk. Yeah, I'm holding my last one for a little bit just to kind of see what happens. What's it at now? 70%? 61%. That's fine. I mean, it's still crushing it. I already made it free at 100%. UNG. Not doing so hot over here. Oh, Hugh. Thank you so much for the super, buddy. Yesterday started the day down 600, ended the day up $5. Today started the day down 300, currently up $400. Woo! Look at me, SPY. I'm the captain now. There you go, Hugh. I like that. I like that a lot. All right, so SPY flickering around over here. Let's see what happens. What's it look like on the 5-minute? Nah, still looks fine. Let's see. SPY going to test the 13 EMA on the 5-minute? I don't think so. It has to test this 48 first, and it's not good at doing that. It's coming back down, though. You used 1348 on Snap earlier and pulled 20% in 4 minutes. Dude, it's a cheat code. Amy, this is the thing. Here's the other thing that everybody is going to know. Okay, this is how we turn this back into AMC. Everybody is going to know right when we see a couple of these crosses and we start to see confirmation on the 200 EMA on AMC on this 4-hour the daily time frame, pretty much when AMC is going to go. So when you learn 1348, and if you are willing to get into if you have traded, like, bought options on AMC before and you're looking for a time to get in on options again, 1348 is going to pretty much tell you right around the time that we could see some crazy price action. So once we start to go crazy on Amy, if you guys do, and we see that crazy volatile move, 1348 is going to prepare you for big volatile crazy candles on Amy and GME once those start firing off again. All right, let's see. All right, SPY flickering over here. Let's see. What are these contracts at? Like 70% now? Yeah, 71% on SPY puts. Also, as everybody's filtering in, if you guys don't mind, hitting that like button on the stream just helps out a whole lot, getting more people in here learning this stuff. 1348 is the up, up, down, down, left, right. Wait, what? It's just simple. Are you talking bullish action? Yeah. All right, let's see if SPY breaks this again. Yeah, well, see, I know what you're talking about, but I also have no idea, you know? You know what I'm saying? Like, I sort of know, but I also have no idea. Amy coming back to life. 5-minute MACD cross on AMC. 1-minute SPY looks like it could start to come back up. Locked in $650 today using 1348. I'm done. Don't want to give any back. That's what I was thinking too. And now I got these SPY puts and now it's working a little bit better. But, you know, Hugh, thanks for the super, buddy. I really, really appreciate that. Getting better at this and building confidence at 1348, starting to trust my trades and being more patient, letting things play out more. Thank you. Guys, you saw me do this too. Hugh, I'm in the same boat as you. I like to take profits early because I'm like, I don't know where it's going to go. But using the different time frames, the different technical indicators, you're like, oh, I can stay in this trade for a little bit longer. Like right now when I'm looking at the SPY, I've already made it free. I'm fine. Like this on the 1-minute chart, it's coming up to test the range, the lower end of the box again. Cool. All right, like I'm on the 1-minute chart looking at this. It might test this 48 EMA on the 5-minute. Like if it gets up to this 13, that's going to suck, but it could also reject and come right back down. Like if you look at the SPY enough, you're like, all right, it's going to try to head fake you out of your position. It happens so many times. Like, and again, on AMC, we're looking at it right here. It's coming up, 5-minute MACD cross, coming up above the 13. I mean, it's looking all right over here. So let's see what happens with this going into the end of the day. 1348 is one of the magical 11 herbs and spices in KFC's chicken. Yeah, dude, my finger actually looks good. Like, it actually looks pretty good. It looks gnarly still. Like, I think I'm going to have a nasty scar, but, you know, I mean. All right, it's coming up to the top of this range here. Let's see. Oh, it's cheat codes? Oh, I don't know. Yeah, so I don't know what you're talking about. The whole market is red, and I've made more money today than the past week. David, atta boy. All right, let's see what happens here with SPY. I love that, guys. Who sent the last super chat? My boy Hugh William. Hugh Janice. What does your finger smell like? It wasn't good for a while, Yucca. It was not smelling good for a while. It's kind of gnarly. Not gonna lie. It's fine now. SV, get a drink. Horses incoming. Horses means I'm talking fast. All right. Time for AMC calls? Not according to 1348, no. Oh, I'm only up 59, 61%, 60% on my SPY put now. Scars are cool and gets you women. Not on like my ring finger, bro. If I have them on like my face, I feel like that'd be pretty cool. I don't want one, but you know. Let's see. Amy looking like a 5-minute MACD cross pushing over the 13. That's exactly what it is right there. Spy flickering. Amy chilling. Spy, what you doing here, pal? It doesn't look like it wants to get. I mean, the 48 EMA on the 1 minute's coming down out of this box here, which is, I mean, pretty good. That's what I like. If the 13 EMA on the 5-minute comes down below this box, oh, it's gonna be dirty. Big green candles in overstock. Got a lot of sellable cash, man. Not really. I mean, a little 1348 cross right here, slowly moving its way up 26% on the day. Not bad. Not bad after earnings on OSTK. Overstock. SC's finger was yucca. Oh, yeah, it was gnarly. The thing is, when I look at it now, I'm like, yeah, you definitely couldn't have stitched this. Like, put stitches in it. It was just, it kind of feels weird, though, when I straighten it, you know? It feels like it's pulling. It feels like my finger's getting pulled. Wouldn't Spy flickering merch? No, because then there's going to be the shills that come in here and are like, you're just trying to make money. And it's like, okay, first of all, one, I mean, I probably made like $100 off of merch last year. So, no. Let's see. AMC needs to do something, anything, any day now. Yeah. Let's see. Free contract till the end of the day. I love to hear that. They're shorting the nuts out of it, merch. All right, we can do that. Spy hole in here, but it looks like it could just, like on the 1 minute, it's just, is that an inverse head and shoulders? 1 minute. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. $100? We know you have $200. Dude, I'm missing for 3 fingers. Okay, so I'm definitely in a better position in terms of like finger count. But this one's kind of nasty. Have you smelled your finger? Yeah, of course I have. It was not. Here it comes. So this could be time to exit. Yeah. See, this is what I was thinking they were going to do. I think they're going to screw with me on this. I mean, it's up 45%. Do I take it? Do I just take it and run? Do I take it and run? I mean, how much time do we have left? 15 minutes until yeah, I'm taking it. I'm taking it. I'm taking it. Whoa, these contracts are going dead zone. Oh, Spy, you big hoe bag. Spy, you big hoe bag right here, you. You meanie pants. God darn it. All these contracts are coming down so hard. Okay. Bye-bye. Get out of here. Took it back. Thank you. All right, Ariel, thank you so much for the super. What time's the afternoon session pick up? Right now, and I might get some spy calls right here. I don't know. I'm just having fun YOLOing around today because we're absolutely crushing it. What is this? 1348 cross on the 1 minute? YOLO. Just kidding. You don't do this. I'm just having fun today after a crazy day. I'm going to spend barely any money on some of this. Like literally no money. Let's see. What 5-minute MACD is it going to cross up? Yep. I mean, I did the same thing. I'm literally just kind of playing the MACD here. Huh. Do I want to play this up? All right. So I'm now out of the spy trade. Spy run. So AMC might. Yeah. Oh, come on. Don't you head fake me like that. Overstock. Oh, man. Yo-yoing around. Yeah. Let me see. What's the cash balance looking like after that? Oh, a lot more than $200. All right. Spy flickery. If it comes down and tests this lower end of the box and then comes back up, I might YOLO some calls. Bull trap again. You're up 40% on spy calls you just got. Okay. Did we do it? I think we do it. My uncalls are getting killed. Paper hand VIX? No. Stop lying. You're a liar. I made it free at 100%, and then I took the last contract off the table. I was like, yeah, no more. None of that nonsense anymore. Actually, 2 minutes closing candle in this zone, maybe calls. That only happens to paper hands. My finger, when you get in and out of options, you setting a fill price every time or just taking the bid. Sometimes if it's moving volatile like that, I'll just get out. All right. I'll get a little tiny spy call position. Tiny, and play it up to the 200 EMA on that 1 minute. Actually, yeah, tiny trade. Spent $100. Let's see what happens here. Putin's is the way. Yeah. I'm playing with spy right now. Like, I'm having some fun with it. So what are these at now? Let's see how much I'm up on this SPY trade that I just got. Oh, 2%. Nice fill there, VIX. All right, 427. I need $1. I need $1 rip out of the SPY. You're $100. They filled me. Oh, yeah. SPY after 425, looking at 420. Who knows? Yeah, that's what I was thinking too. But all right, that 5-minute candle closed inside here above the 13 EMA, 5-minute MACD cross. Might do something here, people. Check out XLE. Isn't that like energy? Yeah. It's coming up a little. All right, let's see what we get here. If we do this, I'm playing this up to the 200 EMA on the 1 minute. Where's the 5-minute 200? Way up there. This is not 1348. This is me YOLOing like an idiot. So don't take this as like normal strategy. I'm still using a 20% stop. If it hits the stop, I'll be out. And I played really, really small. I'm just playing around with some of the SPY profits that I have. We can see 430.44 hit if it can break over 427.27. What are we at now? Yeah, you're right. I mean, it's looking like it wants to come down here and test this 48. If it does that, I mean, this 5-minute candle closed inside. Now it's down below that. I mean, if we get this 5-minute MACD cross, it could go. Now I know where you like playing the SPY. You make the most money on it, I think. Yeah, but it's quick. The reason why you do it on the SPY is because, well, one, there's expiration dates all the time. Hit that ravishing like button, everybody. Made the 1348 make us more money. Yep. If you guys don't mind hitting that like button on the stream, just helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Oh, these are about to get stopped. So if it doesn't bounce off of this right here, I'm going to get stopped out. Which is fine. I'll survive. I can always switch to puts again. Yep. Oh, yeah. Hold on. Hold on. How are these holding? Yeah, no. Actually, how the hell is this holding? Ho, here we go, everybody. I don't know what's going on with UNG. What is going on with UNG? My UNG contracts are getting busted. Just busted over here. All right. Take it. Bye-bye. Okay, we had our fun. We had our fun with the SPY. Bye-bye. Got stopped out. That's fine. I mean, do we want to play it back down? I have 8 minutes to get something that expires today on it. Like, I could. Amy coming up. Amy 1586 over here. Hit one of your make Neo go to 100. I can't do that. All right, let me see here. If it breaks the 25, I'll do it. Let's see. SPY 420 by close. That would be drunk. Like really drunk. What could I get here? Are they going to rip my eyes out on these contracts? Yep. Here she comes. All right, we're going back in. Where's this 1 minute? I want this 1 minute candle closing below the 25. Amy 1585. YOLO SPY put. Yeah, that's what it's looking like it's going to be right here. I don't want this candle to close below it, though. That's what I want. All right. I'll get him right now. Hold on. I'm just waiting for the candle to close. There it is. All right. Take it. Hashtag YOLO. We're scalping. Oh, I'm already up 4%. This is crazy. All right, let's see here, people. Amy chilling out over here. SPY doing its thing. UNG over here. Where's UVXY? I want this up here. UVXY big candles. Watch SPY to the downside. Up 6% on SPY puts. Here we go. You even knew it was a fake pop? I know it was. That's why I'm back in on the puts, you know? Yeah, UVXY looking all right. 6, 7, 8%. 8% on SPY. Wow. Here we go. Jesus, this is wildness over here. DraftKings about to cross down, checking in on the markets from South Mississippi. How you doing? All right, people. Yeah, as you're filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Just helps out a whole lot with the algorithms. All right, let's see here. 5 minutes by. Hey. Yeah, looks good. What does a good faith violation do? It doesn't allow you to trade with unsettled cash. That's what it does. It'll restrict. It'll be like, no, you cannot buy this. Puts printing. Yeah, now they are. Now I'm up. I'm already up the loss on the SPY call. So I went a little bigger on this put. Let's see. UVXY coming up. Watch SPY if it makes this low over here. What's it on the what's it saying on the 5? Still looks all right. Let's see here. You don't want to do that? What don't I want to do? A good faith violation? My TLT calls really came to life. There you go. All right, SPY moving down here. What do you think about BBIG in a year? If the Cryptide stuff goes well, I think they'll do really, really, really well. So 10% to 11% on SPY puts over here. SPY 427 level breach, next support level 420. I mean, that's big. Can we have Liz Clayman interview at 345 with Marco Hodis talking about T0 and overstock? Yeah, we could probably do that. All right. These SPY contracts are so volatile. I probably shouldn't be doing this. Like, honestly, I should just take the gain and run. But I'm having fun. This should be called the SPY put show. That's all I ever hear now, Vic. Suppose it's better than hearing about dude. Okay, AMC right now, flickering around 1585, not moving. The right around the 13 EMA, just hanging out. Do you want to make money? Not financial advice, but I've done a shitload of good faith violations. I mean, if you're going to do it all at once, I suppose. Yeah, maybe. All right, let's see. SPY puts down a little bit. All right, let's see. UVXY testing this 13 right here. Hit the like button, says Thomas. I appreciate that. Gambled my first SPY call. Careful. Shan, thank you so much for becoming a member. I appreciate that. Shout out to all the members, everybody. You guys are awesome. Also, guys, if you don't mind, as you're filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Just helps out a whole lot with the algorithms. What happens when you get 4 good faith violations? I think they just restrict you to only buying with settled funds. I think. I've never faced one because when I go to do it, I'm just like, oh, I'm not going to. I know when it settles, like options, it just settles the next day and you're good to go. It's looking like on the 5 minute. All right. Let's see what we get here. SPY RSI bounce on the 1 minute. Did you change your mouse today? No. SPY saying I see you. Yeah, I know. It's being an a-hole right now. Being an a-hole. All right, we're still alive on these. You can only use settled funds. Exactly. My Robinhood account dropped below 25K, so I'm only allowed to do 3 day trades. I went over the limit. Now I can't day trade till May. Yeah, you do not need a margin account. Guys, if you're not using the benefits of a margin account, there's no reason to be in one. There we go. Come on. UVXY, little pop off the 13. AMC, 1581. Over 60% on SPY puts from this morning. Also, don't know how to member sign up until log into the computer. Oh, got you. Are these SPY puts back into the green? No, down a little bit. Oh, Mass Gang. There we go. 2 minutes before expiration. Yeah. So in the next 2 minutes, if you're on like a Webull or a Robinhood or something, you will not be able to buy contracts that expire today. So just SPY. Yeah, you're not using a margin account. You're only able to trade with settled cash. Exactly. That's how it works. UVXY chilling at the 13 again. I hope Asperino is in that interview. Marco Hodis serves him some crow. Yeah, me too. Me freaking too. I didn't know how until log into the computer. Oh, Shan, thank you. I appreciate that. For all the shills while I'm waiting for Moas, I'm up 200% on the day. Woo! There we go. All right, I'm down 5% on these SPY puts. See what happens here. Mass Gang, what's up, people? Hold on. Let me shoot TMI that link really quickly. Hopefully my SPY puts don't die in the time that I'm doing this. All right, here we go. I'm waiting for my cash to settle on my Webull account now. Yep, there goes TLT. Up or down? Yeah, here comes TLT. $2,033.05. Time for a haircut. STV Squirrel. Woo! There you go. Let's see. Ung is coming back. There we go. All right, let's see what happens with SPY here. New candle down below the 13. TLT coming up. Oh boy. Here we go. TLT pumping. Yeah. Do I pole vault? No. Margin calls. 2 p.m. Margin calls. Here we go. Come on, bro. Where's UVXY? Down below that 13. Let's see here. Also, Mass Gang, as you guys are filtering in, welcome. Thanks for popping in over here. Make sure you guys engage with the stream. Hit that like button. I bet this guy sold at 72. Hey, Sinful Toaster. I think that it's really funny that you think I'm sort of market genius that knows when the absolute fucking top is of a stock. If you knew when the absolute top was of a stock, would you have sold it? You probably would. I don't. Nobody does. So I didn't sell at 72. You're a dummy. In your opinion, can AA say anything at the earnings that would be bullish enough to overcome the market? Yes, absolutely. Let's see. Can I time him out? Yes, you are allowed to do that because that's just dumb. I played disc golf. Interesting. All right, SPY flickering around here doing its thing. 1 minute MACD crossover here. Let's see. What are these contracts down now? Oh, I don't want to get stopped. Uh-oh. SPY call going? Yeah, you might be. All righty. Look at level BBIG. Trying. Is Ung going? Is it? Oh, Ung 1348 cross coming back to life over here. Yeah, Ung is looking good. You just clicked on the stream and had a Robinhood ad come up. That's funny. That is funny. All right, SPY coming down. Ung coming back to life. Triggered. Yeah, because you literally lower my brain cells when you say things like that. Like it's just there's no logic behind any of these statements over here. And I've also told you guys before, I bought most of my AMC shares because I just didn't have a lot of money after the June run up. Like I've explained this to you guys before. I bought most of it after. Like I think I had like probably a third of what I have now before June. And then I bought most of it after. Because I literally was having a problem with like the YouTube stuff and I didn't get any of the YouTube money until like from January to until June. So I got that deposit, then I bought a bunch more, but it was like June 20th or something. Made 50% on my entire portfolio, just swing trading SPY calls and puts today. Played the second swing trade on unsettled funds, and I've done this a few times. A good fit. Oh, yeah. All right, hold on. These SPY puts are probably doing really good now. 10%, not bad. No need for negative vibes in here. Yeah, exactly. 85% on Doge. How are you buying puts on Dogecoin? I just don't understand this. All right, these puts are doing good now. 22%. Nice, 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 nice. A lot of people are. Mark, what? What are you saying? All right, I don't know. U.S. raised sanctions, probably going to see a big swing in the market on a reaction. Yeah, here comes the SPY on the way down. These are up 23% right here. Ung just kind of holding. SPY is coming down, though. Watch 425.05. That's the more recent, or that's the low of the day. If it comes down to there, watch out below. You can play options on coins on DeFi or in your. Oh, interesting. I didn't know that. Do you think Oxy will have a delayed run up? Oil bearers on. They also have earnings, so careful with Oxy. They do have earnings tomorrow, I believe. Puts on chills like the scream. Appreciate that, guys. All right, let's see what happens with SPY here. What are these up? 16%. Nice. If you look at when AMC was at 72, it happened so quick. No one caught it. You could have sold it. Yeah, you could have, but like nobody, like some people might have. I didn't. All right, let's see here. If retail had enough money to slap the ask every trade, we were willing to keep money putting into it. The rice would rip. Retail just doesn't have enough money. That's what 1348 is for. That's literally what we're doing. Chat's flying. What's up, people? All right, let's see what we're gonna get. Wait, did TMI pop in and I just missed it? Oh, not yet. Not yet. Alrighty, folks. Yeah, SPY flickering over here. Coming down. Where's UVXY? It's coming up. UVXY is coming up right here. Bought a 431 strike at the 200 rejection for Friday. There you go. There you go. Oh, here it comes. Dude, if we freaking print more money on SPY today, I'm going to lose my mind. I could sell these like right now and be perfectly fine. They're only up like 13%. That's not bad. Snap might cross. Yeah. Am I planning? I'm a full-time YouTuber now. I am in school, but I'm also a full-time YouTuber now. And people would be like, oh, I hate YouTubers. It's like, cool. There's enough retail money in the world to buy up all the synthetic shit. I mean, we own 80% of like what was supposed to be out there. Yeah, SCV got wrenched. The timeouts are 5 minutes long. So you get put out in timeout for a while. So SPY's moving back up here. What's it look like on the 5 minute? Looks good. It looks good. Let's see. I mean, it's coming up, testing this 13 here. Let's see if it's going to come back down to a new low. When are you going to fund a TD account? I don't know. I'll figure it out this weekend. Every single week, I always say I should fund a TD account, and then I just never do. What is your opinion on the March 3rd buzz? Is it straight FUD? Yes. I'll go over it in the video today. That's probably what I'll make the video on, this March 3rd shit, honestly. It's just, I'll call it what it is. It's just nonsense. Also, guys, as you're filtering in, if you guys don't mind, hitting that like button on the stream. Helps get some more people in here. Thank you, guys. SPY at 421.52 end of the day. If that happens, oh my God, I'm going to be thrilled. Just because of my puts. Like, that's really it. Like, if AMC can hold and SPY does that, that's the ideal scenario. Shill's coming in strong and heavy today. They are, which is fine. Like, they can do whatever they want. UVXY chilling around here, around that 13. How many red days has it been on the SPY? Quite a few. Down 3% on SPY puts. Wait, so my March 4th 85s will still be worthless? Maybe. Make up your mind, SPY. You're killing IV here. Yeah, it is a little bit. 5 minute. Hasn't crossed yet. All right, let's see. Feel like we're going up from here to close. That's what we were thinking over here. If they were going to send it up into close, it would have happened right here, back into the range. Like, it already would have happened. Like, the buyers would have stepped in right here, and they didn't. The sellers came in, knocked it right back down. So it's coming up a little bit here, but I think we still see more downside left. So UVXY coming down a little bit. Good day to buy more AMC and GME. There you go, EM. Alrighty, folks. Let's see what we got going on over here. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. All right. The pump on SPY to keep the calls in the game. I just don't see it holding. I just don't. Bought more AMC at 15.76. Liz Clayman's whistle. That's great. Good for you. AMC, SPY coming down. Amy coming out. I mean, this is a 5 minute candle. This is a 1 minute. So let's see if this 5 minute candle goes red. That's going to get nasty. Do you pay for the up-to-date options data on Webull? Yeah, I do. It's like $2 a month, I think. It's like a McChicken worth. All right, what are the chances SPY turns into a giant George W on the daily? Oh, it's possible. Yeah, we're getting boom booms to the downside. We do want boom booms to the upside. That is what we want. All right. What is the fourth indicator I use on my chart? The green line is the 25 moving average, which honestly has been pretty good at giving us some levels in the past. Ortex update? Sure. When we come over to AMC's Ortex over here, let's see what we get. So we've got 100% utilization, which it's not. 1.42% average cost to borrow, which doesn't seem entirely accurate because the stayed at pretty much the same prices over the last, or the same rate over the last couple of weeks. 20.88% estimated short interest on this thing though. 7% on SPY puts right here. Here it comes back down. You have calls and puts on SPY. I just have puts now. I have to stop going. No, I don't. I really don't. My son just signed to play college soccer. Woo! I need AMC and MOS. Pay the difference between the scholarship and the real cost. Jason, there you go. Alrighty, folks. So SPY back down here. Let's see what happens with it. UVXY flickering here. We could see a lot of volatility going to the close. Amy getting a nice little candle. Let's see if he can get back up to 16. You bought puts and then the bid was 0. What gives? Oh, you probably traded something super illiquid, like in maybe deep out of the money. So Amy coming back up here. SPY moving back up to the upside a little bit. Artman, you got to stop asking me that question, buddy. Do I think is the may not have been you in the past, but do I think is the bottom of AMC? 1, no. 2, it doesn't matter what I think. It like doesn't, like, if the mark, like, I have no idea what the SPY is going to continue to do. I'm looking at this on like a very small time frame. Like, okay, it looks bearish going into close. Lower highs, lower lows. Looks like it's going to continue this downtrend. Is it going to? I don't know. But if the market starts to sell off, AMC is going to go with it. So just be careful with it. It's a good strangle strategy for Disca. I'm waiting STV. Oh, now I'm not answering your question. Don't come at me like that. Don't be mean. Okay, you can't price in Disca. Really. You can, it's like it's got a monthly expiration, so it's going to be harder to do. Just because it's going to be pricing in what the move is going to be until March. Like it's very hard to do that. It's like what's the move going to be within that time frame? Artman, anytime. I like when he says hold your horses. Yeah. GME double bottom. Not yet. SPY coming back down. Let's see. Oh yeah, earnings is March 1st. Crossing on the 5. Yeah, it was before. Yeah, is crossing here. Let's see what happens with it. What are these SPY puts down? I mean, they're down 2% right here. Let's see what happens with them. Smash the like, sack of taters. Thank you, man. Can a market crash trigger the squeeze? If it falls low enough, yes. Guys, hit the like. Thank you, guys. Yeah, if you guys don't mind, as you're filtered in, hitting that like button on the stream just helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. I'm kind of nursing these SPY puts right here. They're up 6%. Now they're up 3. They're volatile as hell. So let's see what happens with these going into close. I think they could be pretty good. What will AMC be at on 9/5/2022? No clue. No clue, buddy. Yeah, I mean, it's just kind of being a little bit of an a-hole. Yeah, UVXY coming up. Watch SPY start to move down. What's running today so I can make some profits to buy more AMC? Dude, we were crushing it on puts, like crushing it. Apple, SoFi, SPY twice. You guys hit it in the morning. I hit it in the afternoon. DraftKings calls. Like there were a lot of things going on. 8% on SPY puts. UVXY chilling here. Disca. I know it has earnings. I'm not playing it though. Just there's too much time on it. The contracts are going to be a little expensive. To maximize profits, should you buy options close to the money or at the money? Well, to maximize profits, you want the furthest out of the money contract to go in the money with the most amount of time. You want it to happen quickly. So, but for safety and to get like a little bit of both world, like the best of both worlds, just Hannah Montana it. I go for like 1 or 2 strikes out of the money sometimes, depending on what the stock is. It just depends. The 1348 on the 1 day looks like it's about to cross on AMC. Let's look. Wait, on the 1 day or the daily? Let's claim his whistle. On the 1 day or the daily? Crushing it, says David. Attaboy. UVXY coming up. Watch SPY come down to this low. Smash the like. Weirdo. I appreciate that, man. All right, let's see. Amy coming up a little bit here. We're at 1590. Let's see if we can get above 16. That'd be pretty sweet. GME 117.55, down about 0.5%, 0.44%. SPY just kind of flickering here. The buyers are stepping in a little bit at this range. Honestly, this is probably right where the other box is. It's probably right here at 425. Interesting. So it's right around that level. Alrighty. 420 is around the corner. Any thoughts on meeting the magical dragon? I mean, hopefully we have puts when that happens and we make a bunch of money on it. Let's see here. All right, SPY just flickering. These contracts are slightly green, up like 3%. Nothing too crazy is happening though. Let's see here. So yeah, Yeah, you gotta Hannah Montana it, you know? That's kinda how what is it? Looks like a fallen down and broken cup and handle. Kev, what's up, man? How you doing? Roku green? Whoa. Yeah. Spy still flickering at this 13 EMA over here. Is it the 13 below here? Yeah, that's good. Your boxes are so your boxes are large groups of buyers. I think the range is a deal. It's just where the buyers and sellers are willing to transact, and it's where they fight. So, like, think about it. Like, you see the choppy price. TLT's volatile. You see that choppy price action, and then it'll either rip up or break down, and it's where the buyers and sellers are like kind of fighting. Spy, what are you doing here, buddy? Where's UVXY? UVixy. All right, let's see. Lower lows and lower highs on the SPY 5-day. It's time to stab 420 for next week. That's honestly the question above. What's the question above? Ludwig? I don't see it. I don't see that one. UVXY coming back up here. SPY contracts very just flickering red green over here. I'm looking for a big flush candle to the downside to just have these contracts go boom. Come on, market. Let's go green. I don't know about that today. Don't know about that today. Amy, 1591, trying to get above 16. UVXY coming back up. Oh, there it is. There's a nice little SPY candle there. It's not getting to that low, though. Oh, here it comes. Here she comes. THC Euros. I already answered your question. Please stop spamming it. What is your average contract cost on my SPY plays? Well, this one right here is 120. The average is 120 on these contracts that I have right now. Do you think we're going to squeeze this year? Bro, I think we're going to have another big run up this year. You listened to Marco Hodes last night and his this deal with T0 and ICE and New York Stock Exchange and a head guy going from ICE to sounds big. Yeah, I mean, it's good to have those types of things on the market. Like, it is good. Let's see what this SPY's going to do. UVXY coming up here. I think SPY's got some downside left. Let's see. Defective Shadow. Thank you so much for the super. I appreciate that. Crushing 1348 puts. Thank you. There we go. Guys, if you do want to learn about this, oh, here it comes. If you do want to learn more about this strategy and kind of get access to all of the premium alerts, which there's a boatload. I think there were 250 alerts yesterday. And all of the perks of being in the premium part of the Discord, the live streams, being in the chats with us. Make sure you guys check that out. You get free access for this week. If you don't like it, you can cancel before March 1st. And the link to that is in the top of the chat over here. So SPY up about 10% on these SPY puts. UVXY flicking around. If UVXY could be interesting. AMC 1592 doing all right. Let's see. Elon Musk said had some email exchanges with CNBC in regards to SEC and seems like he will get involved. Fun is about to begin. Maybe. All right. Let's see what we get on these SPYs. Uber new low. What's up with Uber? Did Uber get a cross today? No cross on Uber today, but Uber looks like it's coming down a little bit here. Vixie. Elon tweeting about building a case against shorts. Ooh, that would be awesome. Your free access week hooked me. J Rath. There we go, buddy. I mean, we just want you guys to see it. Like, we know it works. It's a really good trading system for you guys to use. We just want you guys to be able to try it out and see what it's like for you. So, make sure you guys go try it out. It literally, if you don't like it, just cancel it before March 1st. It does not hurt you to go in there and try it out. Let's see. Elon might try to go after the shorts. Yeah. AMC March 3rd, it's over. Thomas, stop spreading that nonsense, please. It's bullshit. The March 3rd stuff is nonsense. Unless somebody gets lucky with their March 3rd prediction and we crush earnings and start to rip, March 3rd based on transparency rules. Nope. SPY keeps going down. Amy going up. I think she's starting to unhinge. She might. I don't understand. Roku, it seems completely disconnected from the EMAs. There's this old saying, Roku makes you broku. UVXY flickering around here. Down 10% on SPY. Ford CEO says the company's looking to boost margins on both. I don't know what they're talking about there, but Amy 1597 trying to get above 16. Let's see. Roku makes you broku. I love it. Yeah. You crush puts on SPY today. There you go. I like that. I mean, I'm trying to crush more SPY puts. I crush SPY puts too. I'm just trying to do it again. Do you use any other indicators for confirmation besides the 1348? MACD. I also look at the broad market. So I'll look at like UVXY, TLT, stuff like that. Aren't implemented for April or May. Right. And here's the thing. So there's a comment period. After the date that we first all found out about Hester. You know what it is? It's a minimum of 30 days to submit comments. A minimum. And the rule isn't even that good to begin with. Let's see. SPY keeps testing the 48 on the 1 minute. Weird. Yeah, it does. The 48 is downtrending. So what is this looking like on the 5? Yeah, 30 minutes still look good. I mean, if you played it this morning on the 30, you crushed it. So let's see what we're gonna get here. I mean, that's on the 5. What's it looking like on the 1? The 1 minute's just flickery. So let's see. UVXY chilling over here, starting to come up. I think we will crush earnings. I think so too. All right, let's see. In a regular market, would the Discord have more daily time frame alerts? No, it would just have normal alerts. That's just alerting when things start to happen, when things start to cross. Micron got slapped today. Dude, I wanted Micron. All right, here comes SPY back down. UVXY coming up. Oxy may cross up, still below the 200 EMA. Yeah, I'm probably not touching Oxy. 8% on 9% on SPY here. I'm holding these for a little bit. Let's see. I mean, we got 40 minutes until power hour. That's when Theta's really going to kick in and start kicking me in the face. So we'll see. You bought $3 put on fund yesterday after the cross down on the pre-market, looking for a gap fill from 280 to 261. Up nicely. Thanks, STV and 1348. Hugh. There you go. SPY about to take the biggest dump y'all ever seen. Hey, Dan, I would really like it if it did, just because I have puts. But again, with these silly green candles are not helping us out. Ung getting smacked. Yeah, Ung not having all that much fun. I'm not playing any earnings today. No more earnings. No, I'm done. I mean, I'd rather just mess around with 1348s. Don't force it. They're gonna price in a lot. It's gonna be a little bit wild on them. So the SPY puts up a little bit right now. Let's get those boom booms in power hour. Yeah, I mean, you can send the market lower. Let me get out of my puts. And then, oh, did Amy cross 16? 1593. UVXY coming up again. Tips on setting up screeners for 1348. You can't really. The way that that's basically what we have in the Discord. Those are the alerts. So let's see here. Also, guys, as you're filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Helps out a whole lot with the algo. USO 5-minute green candles. Here we go. All right, let's see. I just use all my profits today to buy AMC. All right, SPY moving down now. It's just getting these silly green candles, pumping it back up. Oh, here it comes, maybe. So watch this low, 25.10. If it comes back down here, oh, it's flushing. It's flushing. New lows on the SPY. Here we go. Contracts in the money up 29, 30%. Here it comes. Here it comes. Apple Dippy 2. Yeah, these puts are looking really good. 30% on these SPY puts right here that I threw a decent amount of money on. So let's see if these print. So new lows on the SPY. Lower highs, lower lows. GME coming down. UVXY popping up here a little bit as well. SPY down. Come on. UVXY coming out. Watch out below here. This could be gnarly. 33%. Some odds get 1348 for free, I heard. Pushing, we could try to figure that out. How to do it. Putin is looking at the SPY right now saying, should I move more troops? Oh, God. UVXY holding and coming up here. SPY's going to drop here. 35% on SPY puts. Damn, man. This is gnarly. Woo! Yeah. UVXY new highs. Watch out below on the SPY. Interactive brokers is good. SV, is that a Tesla Model S chair you're sitting in? No. Micron puts up 168%. There you go. These SPY puts are about to go insane. If this keeps coming down like this, they're up 43% right now. Damn, bro. What indices of liquidity in an option? You got to look at the spread. It's just going to be the spread on the option. So UVXY pumping here, 180% on my SPY puts. There you go. All right. So I'm getting rewarded for holding these right now. I mean, I only have 2 of them. So I'm going to wait and see what these indicators tell me. See if UVXY is going to chill out, if SPY is going to keep coming down, which it looks like it might. Oppo for 100% today from SPY puts. Discord is so worth it. Thanks, man. I appreciate that. We put a lot of effort into that thing. It's not just like, oh, here's a Discord. No. This is us putting a lot of effort trying to guys make a bunch of money. 195% on SPY puts. There you go. What are mine at right now? I mean, they're in the money, but let's see. They're up 38%. Elon is FUD. 432.22 is the SPY 1272 retracement, like I said above. Okay. Where is that? What? 430? You must be saying 22. You must mean 22. UVXY, another green candle. Watch up below on the SPY. What's the low? 424.46. All right, so it's 10 cents off over here. I can't even get a hoodie. I got to figure out how to get you guys hoodies because I was trying to put that the discount in there where it just was like 100% off and I couldn't do it. It was like, no, you're not allowed to do this. So I did the maximum that I could, which was like, I think 20% and free shipping. I got to figure it out though. Interesting that SPY is tangy and TLT is struggling today. Yeah. I want a hoodie. Ryan, you can have a hoodie. All right. Here comes SPY again. Yeah. UVXY is still coming up here. So SPY should end up coming down a little bit more. Could gas it double-digit prices? I don't know. That would be crazy. Need a hoodie? Well, if you guys want hoodie, I mean, they're down there, but I literally just made them for me. 85 degrees there. Where are you, bud? I mean, it's 60 degrees right here for me, which is nice. 44% on SPY puts. Micron new lows. There you go. 10% on shorts on space. There you go. 5 minute. What are we looking at here? Little divergence down here. Let's see. Can we catch a freaking bid on what? All right. UVXY is holding up here. Yeah, it's coming up. SPY down. I heard you like hoodies. So this is like the first day ever that I have not worn a hoodie for you guys. Just first day ever. All right. New lows on the SPY. Here it comes. Oh, man. This is dirty. This is. Hey. SPY's getting slaughtered today. Yeah. 423.22. Gotcha. Let's see. All right, people. You guys ready to make some money going into the end of the day, as we like to do? Let's see here. All righty. So, yeah, guys, if you guys don't mind, as you're filtering in, just hitting that like button on the stream. It just helps out a whole lot. Amy's selling off a little bit here. Home coming back up on the SPY. This is on the 1 minute. Let's see. Do laundry. Hey, I always do laundry. Sometimes, sometimes I do laundry. 42% on SPY puts here. SPY needs to crash already. Let those liquidations begin. I think it could get Sally over here. All right, here it comes back down. Amy selling off a little bit here. It's holding. Squirrel ankle hoodies with a Liquid IV logo. I think I'd get a cease and desist. All right, 1577 on Amy over here. UVXY chilling out. Who here is short on SCV's hair? I don't think you should be. My hair's pretty dope. I'm not gonna lie. Hair's pretty nice. All right, here comes SPY on the way down again. 53%, 54%. Was that new? Not new lows yet, but it's close. Here comes UVXY. Yeah, new lows on the SPY over here. Oh man. Here it comes. Flushing, dude. All right, UVXY coming up a little bit. SPY's just selling. SPY under 420 will be fun. 210% on my SPY puts. Big Dave, atta freaking boy. I'm up 56% on the second round of SPY puts that I got. Whew, man. Let's see what we can suck out of these. That came out wrong. All right, let's see. Guys, if you don't mind, again, hitting that like button just helps out a whole lot. Got a lot of people in here. Want to get the engagement up so people can learn more about this strategy. All right, SPY's coming up here a little bit now. 47% on SPY. When SPY bottom, I don't know. Damn, just got on. How about that SPY? Dude, crazy today on the SPY. Crazy. UVXY coming down a little here. You vote for a squirrel hoodie? All right, we could try to do that. All right. What's the low on the SPY? Oh, it's hitting it right now. Oh my god, it's flushing. 63% on SPY puts. TLT about to cross down on the 5. That looks weird. Let's check DM, already 14.5%. Oh yeah, squirrel. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Guess what? 58% on mine. Ha! I got you. I beat you this time, squirrel. Squirrel, I got the best of you this time. Think we have a SPY reversal tomorrow? And hey. We could. Is 420 our next resistance? I mean, you're gonna see like 423, I think is a decent one. Now these are only up 36%. That's so sad. All right, we just get an alert. Yeah. All right. So SPY might come back up here and test this 13 EMA. UVXY is coming down a little bit here. Check expiration. Oh no. What did you get? I got the daily. Oh, that's kind of funny. All right, you got the 420 put. That a boy. All right, so UVXY trying here. I mean, SPY flickering on the 1 minute. It looks like the MACD might cross 41%, 39%. Ah, let's see. Palantir. What's Palantir doing? Cross down over here. 1067. I mean, that's not that big. All right, here comes SPY back down. UVXY. Let's see. AMC over here, 1576. SPY moving down. UVXY popping up. We are sucking. You have VXX calls? There you go, buddy. All right. UVXY popping here. Watch SPY at a new low. Yeah. If it breaks 424, this is going to get gnarly. Whatever, bro. I'm down. There you go. You got the 400 put on the SPY. Well, that's a bit aggressive. All right. UVXY is climbing here. 3 cents off the day high on UVXY. All right. Read that one out loud. What'd you say, Fireball? What'd you say? Puts on cider. All right. Let's see. UVXY chilling here. SPY flickering around. Do you think SPY will have a little recovery in the rest of the session? It doesn't look like it will. It's possible that it does, but everything is kind of saying it's just going to either hold flat or just melt down. So, I mean, I'm up 52%. I'm chilling over here with these, just kind of holding them. Hey, Squirrel, I'm doing a lot better with these diamond hands on the SPY plays here. Donnie, if you're in here, you would be very proud of me. SPY gonna bounce at 420.69. It's too damn ironic not to. That would be the funniest thing. All right, UVXY coming up again. Watch SPY come down. Harry percentage so much higher than mine, about the same time as you, and have February 25th expiration. I have February 23rd. So I have the contracts that expire in about an hour and a half. That's why. Elon tweeted again. I didn't start the fight, but I will finish it. Ooh, Elon's getting spicy on the shorts. All right, here comes UVXY. I think SPY is showing strength on the 1 minute. Switch from puts to calls. I disagree completely. I'm on the 1 minute right here. I think it's showing a lot of weakness. Lower highs, lower lows. All right, let's see what we can get on this. UVXY still holding here. Let's see what happens with the SPY. All right, folks. Yeah, if you guys don't mind, again, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Just helps out a whole lot, getting more people in here. 400 puts up 60%. There you go. There you freaking go. We are printing today, people. Trying to climb back. Yeah, dude, I mean, my UNGs are down 27%. So, I mean, that sucks. All right, SPY pop. Hit the like button, says SCV got wrench. Appreciate that, buddy. Diamond hands are a good thing, but don't let them blow up in your face. I've had them blow me up. Oh, no, that's why I have paper hands, because I used to do that. So I switched. I was like, diamond hand, back out to like selling early. Just take the profit off the table. But SPY, and with what I'm looking at here, I mean, it's a little bit different. I just hold things for a little bit longer and see if I can get confirmation. Like, I think SPY is going to make a new low at some point. Is the richest man in the world really about to fight some shorters? Yeah. I'm late. Sorry. You're good, buddy. Whoa. Max Capital. Dude. Thank you so much for that big super. I appreciate that, man. We got some Russian rubles in here. Thanks, Vix. Max Capital. Thank you, buddy. I appreciate that a lot. Woo. Man. You didn't have to do that. Dude, I really appreciate that. Oh, new lows on the SPY. 65%. Thank you very much. UVXY new highs. Man. The Bears made their move and are fat going to create buying pressure. I don't think so. I just don't think so. Scale in, scale out, best way to maximize profits. Yeah, I'm not up enough on this to make it free. I don't have enough contracts to only sell a portion of it. I only have 2 contracts. I went a little small. Damn, I thought that was USD. Dude, that would be crazy. How much is that in US dollars? I think like $20, I think it was. $25. You made $200 yesterday and 400 today from SPY, but my 425s would have been deep in the money now. Yeah. It happens. It happens, man. That's only $25. You wish you could do more? Max Capital. Dude, you don't have to do that. Thank you so much, though, for sending me that. I really, really appreciate that. All right, let's see if we can bank on these SPY puts. It's coming back up. Working with the Russians confirmed. No, not yet. All right, we're getting this test of the 13 over here. On the 1 minute, UVXY coming down. I love getting that average down longer. They keep it here. Yeah. You better convert those now. It automatically converts. Sold my 429 SPY put, say too early. Yeah. It happens. You can't bottom and top tick everything. Paper handed my 427 SPY put for a small loss. Ooh. Did you just say not yet? For what? UVXY coming up. I'm not selling these SPY contracts yet. SPY 13 crossing below the 200 on the daily. Last time that happened was on 3/9/20. Oh, God. Yeah, YouTube does it automatically. I just didn't see what it was before. Yeah, Max Capital. Thank you so much for that, man. I really appreciate that. SPY and UVXY doing its thing over here. 44%. Let's see. SPY moving down. UVXY coming up. Let's see. Whoa! Dude, Wes Hogan. Dude, you didn't have to do that. Thank you so much for that super, buddy. Yo, buddy, made 10K on SPY puts. Take your money and fight on tomorrow. Let's go. Wes Hogan. Dude, thank you so much for that, man. I really appreciate that. Man, that was super generous, dude. All right, let's see if we can bank on some of these SPY puts going into close, man. Wow, Wes, that was super generous, dude. Thank you so much. All right, SPY coming up to test the 13. All right, maybe I'll take these right here. 5-minute MACD cross to the upside. Yeah, I'm out. I'm out. I'll sell one. Sell one right here. See what happens. Oh, wait. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. That's the 1 minute, not the 5 minute. Sorry. 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 All right. What are these up now? 48%. You guys rock? No, you guys rock. Yeah, it's coming back down. UVXY coming up. Watch for a new low coming in over here. Your reaction makes you think it's 30 grand, but I love it because it shows how humble you really are. No, just thank you guys. You guys don't have to send me like supers, and you do. Like, thank you very much. SPY's looking like a W on the daily, but that 13-20 cross does look bearish. Yeah. Sour hour coming. Keep the SPY puts. I'll keep them around for a little bit. I mean, this is the 1 minute, so we'll take a look at this. It's trying to get above on the 1 minute, but we'll see. Maybe I'll sell one. Take some money back. Nice UConn win. UConn against Villanova last night. Yeah, I didn't watch it, but I heard about it. Let's see. All right. UVXY doing its thing over here. All right, let's take a look. Buddy, good job today. You guys did a good job. You guys are the one, like, I can say all I want about, like, oh, I'm taking this trade or I'm doing this with 1348. But at the end of the day, you guys are watching the same stuff that I am, and you're crushing it too. Like, at the end of the day, it's all up to you to make the trades that you want to see. Like, I'm just trying to be like, oh, here's what I see going on right now. But you guys are the ones that are also crushing it. So good job, people. That's what we want to see. Here comes SPY back down. Nope. Let's see here. Help me figure out exits better. Can you offer some more of what you're using to decide what the levers stay? A lot of it's feel. I mean, we have this 1 minute MACD cross. What's it on the 5? 5 hasn't crossed yet, but typically I'd exit on this 5 minute MACD cross. And then I'm looking at UVXY and it's holding up near the high. So like I kind of want to hold on to these. And there's a couple of other ways you can do it too. It's just the SPY's a little flickery over here. I wish I did a SPY put today. I still have yet to do that. Get ready. It's fun. Let's see here. 50% on SPY puts right now. UVXY coming up. Jeez, man. ADA II. Thank you for that super. Take my money. Lol. Now say my name right. It's Ada AI. Oh, Ada AI. Oh, sorry. As in AI, artificial intelligence. Dang it. Oh, sorry about that. Thank you so much for the super, man. I really appreciate that. PDT is forcing me to diamond hand my SPY puts until tomorrow. Oh boy. All right. SPY's looking sally over here. Let's see. Where's the low? 423.99. It's really close to that. These are 61% right here. Do you only play daily SPY or weekly or monthly too? It depends. All right. New lows on the SPY over here. I like the daily SPY the best. It's the most fun. All right. I'm printing now. 68%. Nice. UVXY climbing. Last some months have been the best introduction to the stock market. Cheers to all of you, including the shills. There we go, people. All right, here it comes. Hit the like button, folks. Try to get the likes to 1K. Steven, I appreciate that, man. All right, everybody. I mean, we're absolutely watch SPY come down lower here. UVXY pumping. 71%. 70. Oh, here it comes. Oh my God. Some days, I guess you just have really good days trading. And this is one of those days over here. It just, everything clicks. We're about to hit 100% on SPY puts. If it does, I will make it free. I will put out an order right now for one contract at what I want to sell it at right there. And then if it hits it, awesome. If it doesn't, I'll have to maneuver it a little bit later. But I have my order out there to make this last SPY or half of these SPY. Well, I only have two, but one of them. So I'll sell one of them, make it free. If SPY continues to go lower over here. What happens if you let SPY puts expire in the money? My broker won't let me do it. They'll sell it off too early. Can I get a shout out to Dude's son, the boss? There you go. How do you do puts? You just same thing as calls. You just buy them. You just go switch it to puts and then you buy them. You don't understand. You should. Oh, E-Trade is difficult. I haven't used E-Trade before, but some of those platforms. All right, these might hit right here. These might make it free right now. Not. Oh, it's close. It's getting there. One more big candle on the downside on the SPY. That order is gonna hit. Wish I held my SPY puts, but I still made 110%. Yeah, that was the initial SPY trade that I made on this move right here. Oh, that'll hit really soon. So this move right here was over 100% on the SPY. It bounced up, tried to get calls, got stopped out. All right, I made my SPY contracts free. Now I can hold for a little while and not really care. They're up 102% right now. Holy shit. And then I got it down here when it was breaking down. And now SPY is really, really, really selling to the downside. And we are really printing money over here, people. Man. Ada AI. There we go. I got you. Ada AI, you're in the Discord now, right? E-Trade will give you a credit that you can use to cover. All right, man. What are these contracts up now? 112 UVXY coming up. See, guys, I mean, I hate to say this, but I don't think every trading day is going to be like this, where we literally just print. I mean, with 1348, if it's a trending market, we're literally going to crush it. So, level 2 assets, SPY puts in the morning, SPY puts in the afternoon. Yeah. When will it be called a crash? I don't know. I made the video last night as the market's about to crash. Now it's coming down, and I'm making a boatload of money on SPY. But oh my God! All right, this last one's going to get held until the end of the day because this is absolutely freaking dirty. How do you pick your strikes? It depends on the day and what I'm trading. If I'm trading it at 25% a week to expiration, target 400. Jesus, just joined the Discord today. Much love, fam. Crypto. There you go. Yeah, if you guys do want to join and get access to basically the entire Discord, every benefit, all the private live streams, all of the 200 stocks that were I think it's 300 now stocks that we're alerting on like the 5-minute and stuff. And then we also have the 4-hour, the 30-minute, and then we're loading up every single stock in the Russell 2000. So 2000 stocks to alert on the daily time frame if you can't trade options. We have crypto. We have a lot of stuff going on in there. So, and again, it is free for this week. You can go try it out. If you don't want to continue using it, you can cancel before March 1st. SoFi tanking. Dang, that probably would have been a good hold going into the end of the day. But I mean, with what we got now on the SPY, I mean, I still have a boatload of settled cash that I could have used today, which is crazy. Let's see here. You doubled my available cash today on my one SPY put. Woo, Vicky. There you go. All right. I'm getting a lot of notifications over here. US stocks extend fall. NASDAQ down 2%. Yeah, 104% on SPY puts here. UVXY chilling. You have 5 SPY contracts up 130%. Damn, bro. Freaking money printers over here. And again, this is why I don't go to class. 102%, 116% on my early AM YOLO SPY puts. Right at 50% on UVX puts. How are you up? You must be up. You must mean calls, Shan, on UVXY. All right, SPY little bounce here. 90%. SPY little bounce here. Let's see what happens. 423 puts cost 9 cents this morning. Oh my God. $35,000 swing on SPY options prints today. Brian. Jesus, dude. Good for you. When did you get in on that SPY? I got the first one. Where's the 5-minute MACD cross back here? It's this one. This one right here. So I got in on, wait, no. Yeah. So I got in on the first SPY cross right around here. Wrote it all the way down. And then Brett down here. Those were big. I think it was here, right? No. This is the 1 minute. That's why. So the SPY cross that I got on the 5-minute MACD was right here. So I got it right around here, wrote it down. Then I tried to get calls over here. Didn't work. Took the loss. And then it sold off all the way here. And then I got some puts down here. And now they're up big. So SPY's coming up now, testing that 13. Let's see if it's going to make a new low. Print. Yup. You're getting crushed today. Any plays? Not anymore, but we literally stole money from the market maker today. We said, hey, market maker, Kenny, mine, give me that money. What up, Vix? What's up, Phil? How you doing? Soon I'll be saying, and this is why I don't go to work. There you go. Up 1,200% on a Moderna put. Jesus. Yeah. Also, guys, if you guys are making money today, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream. Just helps out a whole lot with the algorithm. Costs you nothing to do. It helps me out a whole lot. So thank you guys so much. Let's see here. Big Dave Bulls, thank you so much for the super, bud. I appreciate that. Dude, look at the 13,200 cross downs on the SPY daily charts. There's a lot more pain coming. Let me look on the daily. It's about to cross. Yeah. When did that happen last time? Oh. Well, that's not good. When did it happen before this? That's not good. Okay. Well, that's not great. All right. So we might have some more downside in the SPY. Tostones, thank you so much for the super. Good day on SPY puts. Just a heads up. Yucca is pronounced Yucca, not Yucca. Yucca. Am I saying your name right? Tostones, thank you so much for the super, bud. I appreciate that. Let's see. What do we get here? Nothing too crazy going on in the news. SPY contracts now. See, this is why I sent out that order. The SPY puts that I have now are only up 60% with this move back up. SPY MACD flipped red on the monthly. Oh, God. Let's see. Get to know your plants. Dude, you guys remember last semester I was taking biology and I hated every second of it. All right, so now we're testing this 25 again. Let's see what happens. I've said it before, and I'll say it again. Putin's on the spot. Dan Landry. Hey, they played out today pretty freaking well. Woo! All right, so 59% SPY now. Let's see what happens with this. Are we going to Sizzla? What's that? Get down TLT. Down, I say. Cross down on TLT. That would mean SPY could come up here. But where's UVXY? UVXY is going to be a better indicator, I think. Yeah, so I might be getting out of these SPY contracts soon. Super chat rally? Don't do that. You guys don't have to do that. Let's see. You do pretty good with Spanish anyway. Appreciate that. 50% on SPY now. Let's see. Okay. Let's see what happens with the SPY over here if UVXY wants to come back to life, or if we are going to see SPY just rally into close. Any Biden sanctions, as he said himself, will hurt all Americans and higher energy prices. But those high prices will be good for the oligarchy energy billionaires. Yeah, pretty much. Happy for fruit season, but would love Amy to bounce here. Me too, but so 71% on SPY now. There we go. Let's see. I'm going bullish and say SPY bottoms at 420.76 for a George W. bounce. Ryan, why couldn't you have said 420.69? What's wrong with you? What is this? What is this 420.70 nonsense? All right. 78% on SPY. Here it comes. Can somebody start a YouTube channel for just horrible stock plays? I'm not sure if I fit here anymore. Let's see. STV got wrenched. Thank you so much for the super. When was the last time we saw Grandpa Barney? This one's for him. Hit the like, you weird ankle fetish people. STV got wrenched. Thank you so much for that super, man. I appreciate that. Bounce, Amy, bounce. Amy's getting a little pop here. Amy, 15.95. GME selling off. SPY selling off. And Amy's like, nope. UVXY is coming up. SPY coming back down. 87% now on the SPY puts. SPY 420 little support. Yeah, I guess I feel like I'm on the Price is Right or something. Pretty much. Amy pop, UVXY chilling. But really, when was the last time Grandpa was in here? I think Grandpa was in here this morning. Where's Donnie? Donnie flickers in and out. Donnie, if you're listening, you would be so proud of me on these SPY contracts today. I'm getting better at it. Like, we crushed it today on it. I'm trying to not be a little bitch and just hold my contracts. I mean, I'm fine with making it free and then holding them until like they really and like until the end of the day. But I still got an hour and something on these contracts. So, I mean, we're going to be good to go. Let's see. Can I check how eBay moves on earnings? Yeah, I can do that quick. It does move. Like, I've played it before. Nothing here. Gap down, little gap down, little bit of a rally after. Nothing. This one's a big gap down. This one from 61 to 56. That's a big one on eBay. This one gap up, 58, 63. Not bad. So it does move. It's just you got to be careful with them. I'm just personally not playing any more earnings. Like I only play companies that I like really like to play on earnings. AMC at 16. Did it get there? Oh, 1601 on Amy. There we go, people. That's what we wanted to see. We want to see SPY drop and Amy rip. That's what we want. I don't know much about calls and stuff, but I'm learning. That's exactly okay. You just bought a call today, Adventure Joe. Paper trade, buddy. You might want to paper trade first. SPY dip again. Ukraine past state of emergency. Oh God, here it comes. I'm not proud because that's an easy hold. You paper hand more on the upside market. Right, but that would I mean, I paper handed something today, didn't I? I mean, Oxy puts. Lou is buying. All right, AMC's rocketing. Not really. I mean, it's at 1603. SPY's flickering around over here. AMC will be at 18 by Friday. Look at AMC charts. Even when market started tanking, AMC held 18. That's true. That's true. SPY flickery. Billions flooded into SPY puts for under 400. Big money triggering a crash. Yeah. Ouch. I'm proud of you, SB. Appreciate that, Justin. Do you think the SPY will move the same way tomorrow? It's possible. But I don't hold anything overnight really now. I mean, I do have the UNGs, so UNGs, the natural gas, those are down. I could always take those back though. How much are these? I mean, I almost just want to leave them. They're down 41%. They were down 50% yesterday, so they came back a little bit today. Nice rug pull today. Yeah, we caught it too. We caught that rug pull. I'm letting my finger air out. It actually looks really good. All right, let's see what SPY is gonna do. What are these at? 73. Okay. So SPY selling off. Amy holding 1604, 1603. UVXY coming up. Watch out below on the SPY. Here she comes. 87%. Bing bong. Like and share the stream. SPY to 300 soon. Yeah, guys, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. That's all I ask. Just help engage with it. Get some more people in here just so people can learn and make some money. Like a lot of people are down on AMC. A lot of people that come to this chat every day making a lot of money, especially today, man. You have SPY 335. How do you have 335? It's time to call for calls on SPY. I'm not, no. All right, let's see. Here comes SPY. Amy Boom Boom coming. Yeah, it's coming up a little bit here. Let's see if we can get a 1348 cross, get above the 200. We never really got above it today. You have SPY 435 calls expiring next week. Keep or drop. I can't tell you to keep it or drop it, man. I can just give you like the strategy that I'm using and things that I like to look for to hold on. I can't tell you what to do with your position, man. Sorry. 87%. Is the market maker required to delta hedge for the SPY? Yes, but they can offset it with selling calls. That's the thing that I've been trying to get across to a lot of people is that like they don't have to buy shares. It's a range. Like if they break down below a certain range where they can no longer sell enough calls, or if it breaks above a certain range where they can no longer sell enough puts, then you actually have to delta hedge. But they can just sell offsetting contracts to maintain that directionally neutral status because the system doesn't care how you're getting delta neutral. It just cares that you are. Does this set the SPY up for a huge bounce on any good news? Right, but like what good news? Like how are we going to get good news over here? Like what's going to be the good news? Russia gets away from Ukraine, like all right, UVXY coming up, SPY moving down again here. These are dirty, man. What are these at? Oh, 96% on SPY puts. Putin's on SPY, says Dan. At a freaking boy. Have you seen the T35 lands on the same day as earnings? A moved earnings for the he didn't move earnings. No, he didn't move earnings. Earnings was never confirmed. So that's just the date that they announced. You got yourself 3 calls on BBAG, 3, 5, and 4. Got a feeling for what expiration date? This is 2022. Good news was 2020. Fair. All right. UVXY coming up to that previous day high. SPY selling off a little bit here. Amy flat at 16 at 15.99. Let's see what happens over here. GME down 1.9. AMC down 2.85. 85% puts. All right. Sounds bad, but the only good news for the market is Russia goes ham and makes its move. So uncertainty and doubt remove the market. That's true. I mean, that's kind of what we see. Like the initial invasion is like a sell-off, and then everything else is coming up. Phil just joined the Discord. Eli says about to join the Discord. Guys, I mean, you get this week for essentially free. And if you do not want to continue, you just got to cancel before March 1st. So just go try it out. See how all the alerts, see how it works, like fine tune the trading strategy and just see how powerful the alert system that we have is. It's not buy and sell alerts. It's just giving you notifications on when things are crossing. So the 5-minute, it alerts on the 3-minute. Then you pull up the chart, the 5-minute chart on your whatever you're using, computer, laptop, and then you decide if you want to take the trade. But it's literally putting your trading and your view of the market on steroids. And then you'll also be able to get access to the Sunday and I think Monday live streams too. Because we'll be because March 1st is next week at some point. So you'll get access to the Sunday and Monday live streams if you join up. So you get to like see like what we're looking at, what sectors we're looking at, and go over on this Sunday too. We're gonna be calling people up and come on the stream with us to go over trades and ask questions. Let's see. DraftKings. All right, 70% on SPY. SPY moving back down. It was today in February 20. I grabbed a bunch of TVIX sub 60. Isn't that inverse VIX? Or no? What was TVIX? Isn't TVIX gone? I think TVIX is gone now, isn't it? Oh, SPY coming up here a little bit. All right, so on the this is the 1 minute. What's it out on the 5? All right. I mean, it's up 58%. I might take it. I don't know. We'll see. They went under. Yeah. No bueno. All right. So let's see if we get this 5-minute cross down or the 1-minute MACD cross down. Amy 1604 coming back to life. We only need 40 cents. Thank you so much for all you do. Join the Discord today and made dumb money today after almost calling it quits for the day. Joanna, there you go. 3 times the VIX. Oh my God. What would the next level be support for the SPY? Like 320 or 423. Crap, 2 minutes till, or 1 minute till power hour over here. People, all right, let's see what we're going to get. Amy coming down a little bit. UVXY pulling back up. All righty. Do not paper hand. Oh, yeah, true. That is my free contract. So I'll leave it here for a little bit. It's still up 75, 76%. AMC closed at 20. Come on. Not today. Okay. So what do we got going on here, folks? 1795 on UVXY. SPY's moving back down. Amy 1601. Jimmy 11606. We would get a big move the last 25 minutes. Probably down. If anywhere, I think it would come down. Forced liquidation warning. Let's see. Single leg at 1548. So I have until 348 to ditch this call or put. Sorry. Why do you wait until the end of the day to sell with theta decay? Well, it's already in the money. It's already fine. In SPY, I think could sell off even more. So 68% on these now. Do you see Neo going up or down tomorrow? No idea. My DraftKings puts from earlier up 33%. There you go. Facebook tanking. How bad? Facebook sold off 1348 cross down here. I mean, you would have gotten screwed out. I mean, you probably would have been out right around here with this 1348 cross, but then it came back down. That's a decent one over here. UVXY. All righty, folks. SPY moving down. Let's see here. Johnny, thank you so much for the super, buddy. That was super generous. Power hour, squirrel, squirrel, squirrel. Dude, thank you so much. Guys, all those super, thank you guys so much. You don't have to do that. Shout out to all you guys that send those in. Means a whole lot. Thank you guys very much. Now people crying about you not paper handing. No, I mean, I'm up 76%. I'm chilling. Why no margin calls yet? Well, there could be. There easily could be margin calls. TLT coming back up. Uh-oh, SPY. Where's TLT? Popping up. You know what app makes you absolutely FOMO proof? Running out of settled cash. Yeah, every single time. It gets me every freaking time. I have a lot of settled cash left today. I'm not going to use it, though. Not going to use it. So let's see what we get over here, folks. And Mike Round about the cross up on the 5-minute MACD. I wouldn't trust it. TLT's coming back up. Facebook will be dead. Yeah, that DraftKings blot down is algorithmic perfection. Look at today's 1 minute. Oh, boy. Oh, yeah. Just same thing as the SPY almost. So, wow. Here comes the SPY again. 90%. Bing bong. Safest ETF or stock to put 25K into so I can day trade? Whoa. What? You're gonna put a, I don't know about that. What is settled cash? I live dangerously. Careful. Excluding SPY, how far do you normally buy calls and puts? Depends. If I'm playing earnings and the market is swinging up, I'll do 2 or 3 weeks before earnings, 2 weeks after. But usually it's weeklies. Usually all weeklies. Quick in and out day trades. Wouldn't margin calls equal AMC run? That's all I've heard for a month. No. Okay, you're never gonna get a notification when there's margin calls going out. You're never gonna see it. You might be able to be like, all right, somebody got liquidated in terms of price action. But the problem is that they can just put more money into their account or deposit more collateral at their broker or whoever's supplying them with this loan. Oh, SPY new lows. In order to maintain their position. So these SPY contracts now 110%. All right, let's see. Amy 1596. 108% of my Wells Fargo puts. There you go. 401k plan now under review by federal agencies. There you go. Yeah, new lows on the SPY. Oh, that's DraftKings. That's not TLT. UVXY. How's this doing? Popping. 115%. There we go. Sorry, repeat. Do you consider oversold or overbought on the RSI 3070 or 2080? 3070. I was wrong. You were right. Oh, on the SPY? Yeah. SPY puts 300%. There you go, Big Dave. Dude, Dave, you've been absolutely slaughtering SPY contracts. It's gonna happen after hours one day? Yeah, it could. I mean, typically margin call okay, so FX Hedge is right when he says margin calls go out at 2. If that's when they go out, that's just when they go out. It doesn't have anything to do with AMC or GME though. All right. New lows on the SPY over here again, 122%. Bing bong. Broker sold my puts 2 minutes after 12 p.m. Pacific time. That's annoying. Made $5. Why would they do that? What percentage of your account do you put into each trade? 20, 25%. UVXY coming up. So I really crushed it today. My YOLO is going to go in the money with a week to expiration. Dude, I literally am stealing money today. This is wild. So hopefully everybody's in on this with me, or just like in like making money today. I don't make a bunch of trades every day, but I've made some good ones. Big Dave, you're right, buddy. All right, let's see. 109% on SPY. Dude, this is craziness. How do you think UNG is going to do? I don't know. I treat those types of trades as kind of YOLOs. So it could go wild. I mean, it has the potential if it has a good day tomorrow with everything going wild to hit the strike. But it hit the strike today. And when in the money, my contracts were down. So it really needs to get going for me to make any money on that. If expire is worthless, it's fine. Actually, I could take that money back. I just don't care enough about it. It's just not. SPY got a little pop here, I think. Yeah, SPY popping up here a little bit. There's $70, $76.50 on that trade right now. So if it hits, it hits. If it doesn't, all right, cool. Keep in mind, SV is an experienced trader. If you're not, be careful. Well, yeah, sort of. I just kind of know what I'm doing. Like I have a better feel. But you guys have seen me completely fuck shit up before. Like completely just mess it up. Like the DraftKings on last Friday or Thursday, I completely botched that. I should have just held it for an extra 10 minutes, and I would have made like 200%. And then no, I sold it like SPY's approaching the low again. Could see Amy 1348 soon. Just need that rocket fuel to the 200. Exactly. If you on the 4 hour, you see that that's where I'm buying. That's when I'll start buying calls on AMC. SPY back down. Yeah. I mean, I'm happy I didn't paper hand those at like 50%. They're up 120% right now. Let's see what they get to. SPY really UVXY coming up 3 cents off 2 cents off the previous day high. Let's see. Bum 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 bum. Dun, 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 dun. All right, SPY, what are you doing here? Amy 1596. Short arc betting against Kathy was doing fine today. Yeah, it is. Whoa, Ashraf, what's up, man? How you doing? Thank you so much for the super. I appreciate that. Wow, even my SPY Lotto 390s are getting there. This is about to enter crash territory, not correction. Loving the AMC coming up on the 4 hour. Yeah, me too. I do want to see it. I need to see it cross the 200 EMA on the 4 hour. That's what I need. All right, new lows on the SPY. Here it comes. 126%. Thank you very much. UVXY coming up. This is dirty. This is dirty. Puts on everything. Dude, SPY's been crazy today. Wow. Holy shit, SPY. This is ridiculous. 420, then final takedown would be SPY 405. Maybe, man. All right, UVXY coming up again. Watch out below on the SPY. Considering swinging my Tesla puts up 44% on the day. Lynn, that's solid. Wow, SPY is really coming down now. 135% on this position right here. Do you need to have the shares to sell a call? Well, if you're going to sell to open a call, yes. Unless you're going to sell naked calls, which is the riskiest thing you can do. There has to be news for the SPY flush. Fear. I mean, I don't see any news coming through. FAA vows to eliminate. No, nothing. Justice Department will expand focus on security threats to include Russia, Iran, North Korea. Nothing too crazy over here. So these are up like 140%. This is crazy. Made my put on Tesla today. There you go. Buy Boyle, 3x UNG, Biden sanction news also mentioned. Well, where's UNG? Where's UNG? Is UNG coming back to life? Not really. It's trying. It's not doing very well, but yeah. Is that new lows on the SPY again? Yep. SPY damn near does this every power hour. Yeah, we do want boom booms, but we're not getting them. We're just getting boom booms in our account for trading puts. Looks like AMC retail holding strong. Yeah, why wouldn't they be? 421 and I'm out of my SPY puts. I'm going to hold it until like I can't anymore. Let's see, people. All right. Dude, this was the craziest day. 42% on fund puts. This might be, besides the Facebook, like that Facebook earnings hit, this is probably my best trading day in a while. Like we didn't miss. We missed one. And all the other ones were well over 100%. SPY 419.87 end of the day. That would be absolutely dirty. SPY's probably going to pop back up a little bit here. UVXY coming back down. So far, the SPY is down 12% from the all-time high. Holy shit. Yeah, guys. Also, as you guys are filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Just helps a whole lot. Getting more people in here, learning these strategies. And again, for all of you guys that are filtering in, make sure you guys take advantage of that free week that we have in the Discord. You go in there, you get all the live streams, all the alerts on the 350 stocks. We got cryptos in there. We've got the 2,000 stocks in IWM coming on the daily time frame. You get the 2 live streams every single week with me, Gabe, and or me, Review Dork, and TMI. Like, definitely check it out. I even made money on SPY calls. I didn't. Let's see here. Gonna have 1,400 to use tomorrow. Trying to decide if I want to get in the puts game or lower my AMC average. Go with whatever the market's telling you. Like if the market's gonna say, all right, we're gonna be able to make a bunch of money on puts, like that's what we're gonna do. That's kind of what we saw today. This is my first day trading options ever, up $1,800 a day on the day. Woo! Thanks, 1348 in SCV, TMIDs. There you go. You forgot on the eye candy for the Discord. Guys, I'm so happy you guys are printing today. This is awesome. UVXY coming up. SPY moving back down. Can SPY pay me every day like this? I'd make 6 figures. Yeah, man. I mean, it won't, but this is a solid day. Okay. SPY is back to June 21 prices. Jesus. All right, here it comes. What are these at now? 136%. Jesus. Man, UVXY doing its thing. Alrighty, folks. See what we got. See what we got, huh? All right, SPY moving down again. Is oil at 100 yet? No. WTI cruise at like 92, I think, or 91.45. That's where we're at on WTI. West Texas, intermediate, international, inter something. SPY coming down again. 150%. Thank you. I went small today on trades. I want to go a bit larger tomorrow to start making back money I've lost so far. I hope we get it just as good trades as today. I don't think it's possible, but you got to be very careful. Trey's mustache, I wouldn't try to you got to take it slow. The way that I've gotten into trouble in the past and blown up accounts is doing that in upping position sizes where I didn't need to and I shouldn't have. Like, it's better to just go slow and steady and get it going. My portfolio is going to be red, only $800 green. If it's not today, it'll be tomorrow. There you go. Someone poked a hole in the SPY bubble. Yeah, it did. Intermediate. Thanks, Dan. Why is it intermediate oil? What the hell is intermediate oil? What about like advanced oil? All right, SPY moving down here again. 160 or 153%. Can I look at Lucid? Yeah. Probably coming down big. Oh, Lucid 1348 right here. Literally textbook. You get this one at 25, falls all the way down to 2403. That's a big move. That's a nice one. Focus on the process rather than the profits. Minimize losses. Slow and steady profit. Exactly. You don't need to go big when your gains are triple-digit percentages. Exactly. Intermediate oil is easier process. Interesting. What about like beginner oil? Is beginner oil cool? Like, could I do that? Could I get into the beginner oil business? You think so? SPY -7. Yeah. Bank of America crossing down on the daily. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Let's see. SPY trying here a little bit. Set a stop limit. That's why I lost, but I kind of didn't follow some rules, but I didn't lose a lot. That's fair. As long as you don't lose a lot, you're good to go. What's the relationship with UVXY and the SPY? Okay, so UVXY is like a derivative ETN ETF of the VIX, which is the volatility index. It's supposed to measure the volatility of the S&P 500 option chain. So when volatility goes up, typically SPY is going down. But typically when you think about volatility, SPY can go up too. But normally it's the fear index. So when you see the SPY go down, UVXY goes up. It's essentially an inverse. Amy holding up well considering the market tank today. Yeah, I mean, it's down 3.6%. Not all that good, but I mean, come on, guys. We're 3.6% in the red. You could have easily made back. Your accounts, if you were trading nicely today, you easily could have made back your Amy loss on the day. Let's see. You gonna hold anything overnight? No. My SPY contracts expire in like 45 minutes. So forced liquidation warning. Oh no. 125% buy put. There we go. Let's see here. Oh shoot. Did I just step in that? Oh, that's not good. It's a 100% plus trades that aren't the norm. 10 to 20 is a good place for profit. True. You still have SoFi puts? No, I sold those a while ago. All right. I think I'm going to sell these SPY puts too. Yeah. Let's see what happens right here on this 1 minute. If it gets knocked down, I mean, UVXY is coming back up. I kind of just want to get out of it. Might as well. Like, I don't see the SPY going to the floor. Like, I just don't, but we'll see. Never go broke taking profits, right? All right. I'll sell this one at like 106%. Wow. The spread on this is kind of wild. Interesting. Let me see if I can get filled with this. Yeah. Whoa. Whoa. They just gave me a gift on that, Phil. All right. Absolutely freaking crushed it today, people. I'm going to run to the bathroom for a minute. I'm literally going to be 2 seconds. Guys, make sure you hit that like button on the stream. I will be back in literally 2 seconds. Hello. How you guys doing? Literally 2 seconds. All right, people. Let's see. Don't worry, short the SPY. We'll be right back. All right, I'm right here. I know, Jim, you're not really happy that I literally just like was kind of printing on a bunch of puts today, but I made a bunch of money. So I'm happy with it. And it's my money. Not a hedge fund. Thanks for the super, buddy. That was definitely more than 2 seconds. Liar. You didn't hear the flush. It's impossible. It's impossible that you heard that. Are you streaming from the bathroom? No. All right. SPY's moving back up here a little bit. UVXY is coming down. Let's see what happens. I like that sell on the SPY that I had. It was up like 106%. So overall, I made like 103% on that SPY trade. Solid. I'll freaking take that all day long. Let's see. Stop turning up the volume when you leave. I turned it down. I literally turned it down. I literally turned the volume down. I know you guys are making jokes, but I made sure before I left that I turned it down. A little soap got in there. I feel like that's good for it, though. Let's see. Short the IG. No. All right, everybody. Let's see here. Make sure you guys engage with the stream. Hit that like button, everybody. Just helps out a whole lot. We got 1,700 people in here, 824 likes. Let's see if we can get that up, get some more people in here going into close. I mean, I'll call something out for you guys if we see things start to get going and you guys can make more money. I'm out for the day. Prague is long-term hold, waiting on a partner info and shorts to cover it. There you go. Nice 103%. Crushed it. Yeah. Do you wash your hands? Yes, I did. All right. SPY moving back down here. All right, folks. Let's see what we get. Took one more off the table at 100% gain. One left. There you go. Nice stream, bro. Sounds like you have good aim. Wait, what? Are you talking about? What? True, never hurts to take profits. I was just giving you the range, giving the range on SPY. Oh, no, that's fine. I'm just I wrote it down once. So I wrote Apple and SoFi down in the morning, then SPY here, then calls. Okay, so I'm 4 for 6 today, I think. And because I got the call and I got busted up on that, and then I cut the Oxy for a loss. And then this came down too. So SPY's moving back down. UVXY's coming back up. Amy, 1587 over here. Let's see. How do you profit so big when you only have $200? Funny. Let's see. Ho, Subi Sickness. What's up, man? How you doing? Hopefully you're having a good afternoon. This was a wild day. Woo! All righty. Any predictions for tomorrow, the rest of the week? I'll take a look tonight, just kind of see what I have going on, but it's just going to be more fear. Just a lot of more fear candles. Here's the thing. You guys in this chat right now, retail investors, are not supposed to be making money in this market. You're just not. That's how it works. It's how it's been forever. Retail gets blown out in times like this because they buy growth stocks and they come down. You guys are crushing it. Institutions have been buying AMC like crazy. Yeah. Yeah. Played for 7 minutes, a SPY 423 call on the 1 minute chart, $15. SPY options market is nuts. Yeah, it's fun. It's a fun time. All right, SPY coming back up here a little bit. Amy, 1588. Let's see what we get over here. GME, 115.30. Okay. Let's see. Bing bong. All right, let's see what we got over here. SPY going to 300s. That would be dirty. That would be dirty. Yeah, guys. Also, make sure you guys check out the Discord. We got that free offer going this week. If you don't want to join though, for real, make sure you guys cancel before March 1st. Let's see. So many bears in the market. Yeah, up 32% on my portfolio today. Boom. There you freaking go. TLT is going down. UVXY is coming up. TLT and SPY have been moving very, very strangely over the last month. SPY hit my stop profit, 100 billion trillion %. Nice. Sue Ray, thank you so much for being a member. Are you looking at any earnings plays for tomorrow? No, not really. Not anymore. I like the bigger earnings, like the market movers that can really, really get going. You could easily see something go crazy, but not anymore. Not messing around with earnings right now. SPY printing. It did print today. I printed it twice. 2 sheets of paper on the printer. Great day. Printed on Micron, Apple, and SPY puts, 130%. Boom. Up 150% on Credit Suisse puts, but it only dropped 1.2%. That's pretty wild. Square could be juicy. That thing moves nuts. Yeah. Thanks, Sue. Thank you. Meet Kevin just bought 500 more shares of Tesla. He sold 85% share cash, but I knew he couldn't stay out of the market. He's nibbling back in. Yeah, it's addicting. How soon after 1348 cross do you buy your calls and puts? How far out of the money the puts are you buying? Okay, so 1348 crosses, I wait for a confirmation candle below the 200 EMA or a confirmation candle right after the 1348 cross. Second, usually 1 or 2 strikes out of the money. If you want to be able to stay in the trade for longer, want it to be less volatile, you buy in the money contracts. Can I please make UNG go up? Dude, I can't. I can't just make things go up. That's not how this works. But let's see here. 1586 on Amy. UVX's coming up. SPY down. Into the week puts on Ukraine. I don't think you can do that. I don't think there's a market to buy puts on Ukraine. The April 5th gap is in play now. The SPY day chart, less than 5% to go to hit 403. Jesus. That sounds like so far away, but it's not. Like 5%. Like, yeah, in the SPY, it shouldn't do that. But I mean, it's down. What is it? Somebody's saying 12% from the high. Playing SPY earnings. AMC earnings less than a week away. Yeah, Amy's earnings is going to be fun. So hopefully we get some real good news from AA during that. That'll be a real good time. Wait, SoFi? What did SoFi do? SoFi literally hasn't done anything today. Oh, it barcoded. It just barcoded. They got it. Ooh, the HFTs got it. Interesting. You can play puts on Ukraine on DeFi in Europe and in Europe. That's weird. You guys are saying like puts on Dogecoin. I'm like, all right, man, that's pretty crazy. Next stop on SPY around 420.76. Yeah, I don't really want to buy any more SPY puts. Like holding overnight. I just don't like it. Like I'm pretty sure SPY opened the day green today and then just sold off the entire day. Liar, you can make go up. You control the market. Yeah, guys, I've been saying a lot of things in the past and nobody listens. Like one, don't play earnings one way. What do we see happen? Everybody still likes to play earnings one way. I've talked about options. I've talked about Ortex. Remember that 21 nonsense? Just don't listen. It's fine. We'll get there, though. We will get there, everybody. Overstock still up 25%. Jesus. Finance lets you trade derivatives in crypto. Does FTX? Does FTX allow that? All right, let's see. Yeah, SPY popping back up here. Let's see. 35 minutes until close, people. It was up more than 1% at one point. That is insanity, people. That is insane. All right, let's see here. Wow. Yeah, what's it down now? 1.6. That's big, bro. Bank stocks tanking. Bank runs worldwide. Well, I don't think bank runs worldwide. That's kind of crazy. But, you know, it's not great. There's not a lot of good things going on right now. So your singing doesn't move the market. Shh. All right, let's see. Amy 1588. SPY popping back up here. GME still selling. Can you check out Tilray? Your puts expire Friday at 5:50. Yeah. Disaster. Sorry. Tilray 5:50. 30-minute. Yeah, it looks like it's going to keep coming down. I mean, it's well below the 200 on the 30-minute. What's it looking like on the 4-hour? Yeah, just crossed down on the 4-hour on the 18th. Still coming down, though, pretty hard. You could be all right with that one. But I don't know. Again, don't take what I say as like what you should do at all. Make go up? I can't. I have calls. If I could make it go up, I would have made it go up. Let's see. 10% correction, 20% bear market. Yeah, your singing doesn't move the market, but your rants do have an impact. All right, fair. 4 million short exempts for Mullen. What? That's ridiculous. That's ridiculous. Man. Let's see here. Also, guys, make sure you hit that like button on the stream too. Just engage with the content. Just helps get some more people in here. Thank you guys so much. Let's see what we got. Bum 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 bum. All right. 60% gain on SPY put, but had a meeting and couldn't pay attention to the price. Took the profits, but would have been up way more if I'd been able to hold. All's good. Green is green. TJ, there you go, buddy. SCV makes the SPY go down faster. Dude, and when I sell, it just starts coming up. I'm the SPY demon. Remember when I used to say that I was the most successful SPY trader that ever lived? As a joke. It's not true. That's probably squirrel, but we did really good today. Let's see. So which price target we hit to get knees? I don't know. It's just more comfortable that way sometimes. When you sit in this chair all day, it's like, all right. Just join the Discord. Game on. Dustin, there you go, buddy. Let's see. Yeah, guys, make sure you take advantage of that this free week that we have going on. If you end up not liking it, you just have to cancel before March 1st. But again, you can use it all this week, and you'll get the live streams on Sunday and Monday. I'm the SPY demon. Let's see. Was I gone long enough to? All right, Mr. Finance. I'll time you out for that one. You're being an asshole. Don't be an asshole. Time out. Amy 1587. Tilray 5. I mean, BLT. What do we got? Down 1.26% over here. So couldn't get filled. Now I'm negative on SPY puts. Oh, you're trying to get out. Yeah, it happens. It happens. It happens. Let's see here. Yeah. All right, people. You only hate the premium Discord if you hate money. True. Let's see. SPY moving back up here a little bit. Dude, that was a nasty trade. But yeah, guys, make sure you take advantage of that. Hop in there. I'll be in there a little bit later tonight, going through some stuff, answering any questions that you guys may have. But yeah, should have kept your Apple puts. I had the Apple puts too. Well, I think I had the 160s. Shit. I think I took like 60% on them. User not found. That should be wrong. I don't know why it's saying that, but that's wrong. You got to put it for 429 this morning, and since it went in the money, it has shown me a loss if I sell. That doesn't make a whole lot of sense. That intrinsic value of the contract should be almost $600. So that's weird. What broker are you trading on with that one? User not found. Oops, that's the warrant. UAC. Nothing. SPY back down. Amy, 1586 over here. How do you calculate the expected move? You add the at the money strike. So you add the at the money put, the at the money call, and you divide it by the current share price. You have to. So Chase, what you do is you sign up through the Patreon. You have to sign up through the Patreon, but you're not gonna like you this week, the week you're not gonna get your credit card charged until the 1st. So if you don't like it, you could just cancel it. But make sure you go in there and put the time in and like really look, because like, come on, we have days like this. Everybody in here is cranking money. Currently shows 35% negative. It's on Webull. That's weird. User not found. I'm very confused on that one. SV Fund Challenge start with $20. See what we can get. You can get with 1348 with a month's plays. That would be hard, man. You can't lose. Like, I literally wouldn't be able to lose. I'd have to trade like YOLO SPY options that expire that day. That's the only thing that I could do. Like real YOLOs on the SPY and towards the end of the day. Like I could easily hit like if we saw this SPY move and I bought like back here, if I bought like when I was trading this, if I bought the 423s, they were probably, or the 420s, they were probably really, really, really cheap. And then they were coming down and they would have gone up and that would have been all right. But that would just be like how to YOLO. And I don't think we should do that. Even I'm making a little money and I'm allergic to making money, says Justin and his matzo balls. There you go, buddy. All right, here, people. Did you sell a put instead of buying a put? He might have sold a put. Another Kansas meetup for a run. What happens in Kansas stays in Kansas? Yeah, dude. I mean, maybe we'll go meet up again. And then everybody's going to be like, oh my God, Kansas. It's like, chill out, bro. 93 million volume today on Mullen. 4 million short exams? No. That is crazy. I have not seen that before. It's only $20. Right. But like, I feel like that would be like a little bit nonsense. Like, I feel like we shouldn't do that, you know? Like, I feel like that would be a bad thing to do. Let's see here. You can only trade cheaper stocks like Prog and Wish with only $20. I think I could do SPY. I think I could do like, if I did it on TD, like this right here, these 420, like 427s are $14. 428s are $8. I could buy 2 of them. I could buy 2 of them. All right, let's see. Yeah, you might have sold a put when you meant to buy it. Money going to GLD. Is GLD coming up here? Oh, low candle on this. SPY probably coming back down. Yeah, SPY moving down a little bit here. Yeah, you can get low on the SPY. Yeah, you just have to be wet. It's easy to do with SPY. I turned $13 into $14.50. It's not bad. Last 25 minutes. Yep, we got 25 minutes left in the market today. Ooh, SPY with a nice little candle over here. Woo! Calls on WMC if you push it B. All right. I don't know who Ross Cameron is. Let's see. Yeah, SPY flickering over here. Gold trying to come up. Amy, 1582. Oh, Camber Energy, CEI's moving. Yeah, this thing's coming up 27%. Ooh, this thing moving. CEI's moving a little bit over here. All right, folks. Yeah, also, as you guys are filtering in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Just helps out a whole lot. Also, shout out to all the new members and the existing members. You guys are awesome. Thank you guys. Ross is God of Trading. That's weird. I feel like I would know that person, right? Wouldn't I? I feel like I would know that. It was a high of 18 degrees and a low of 4 degrees in Kansas. Whoa. Dude, it's like 60 in Connecticut today. Spy downward wedge turns into a channel. Kind of scary. Yeah, it's not good. Yeah, so, whoa, CEI is getting up there. Oh, that thing's getting a little rippy over here. You think the big move will happen in the last 25 minutes? We're a minute away from the last 5 minutes. We can still see it. You had an order in for 1560. MC bounced back at 1562. You're welcome. Oh man, that sucks. All right, SPY little can. I mean, this is on the 1 minute. I'll throw the SPY back on the 5 minutes so we're not like being crackheads. Let's see. You click the red ask button. It showed buy order entry. It selected the amount of contracts. Yeah, I think you sold to open contracts. You sold contracts. I don't know though. That's kind of weird. CEI's getting up here. Watch it at 60 cents. That could get a little interesting. Oh, Warrior Trader channel. I feel like I've heard of that. Yeah. Oh, CEI just tapped 60. SPY moving down. My challenge is for him to make 5,000 on free shares that you get for your new account. How do you do that? Just like options, put the profits in there, or trade shares and then leave the profit in there being free. That would be pretty cool. Whoa, CEI is getting jumpy a little bit here. Does it have a chain? It does have a chain. I'm not touching any of that, but it does have a chain. Yeah, Carmine Rosado is really good. OTC sub penny about to go. Yeah. Oh, that one? I don't mess with those. CT was the coldest place I've ever been last year. It was -10 at one point. Hurt to get out of the car. Dude, it's been like that this year too. When I walk back over here, oh, it's tough. It's tough. 63 in Akron today. 30 today. Woo. Woo. All right. SPY flickering around a little bit here with the SPY activity. You might want to change your name to Long the VIX. I know, man. I knew it coming in because I've been talking about this type of price action. If you guys remember my videos from like July, August, September, it was, oh shit, the market's going to come down. I told you. Well, I was saying I thought it was going to be Q4. That's what it looked like. And then I was quarter early. It's fine. Sell the free shares. Use that money to build. Yeah. Had a ton of AMC shares to start today. And now I have more. Trace bottle of Kraken. There you go, man. I love to see that. Alrighty. Could I interest you in some UNG? All right. UNG. Crapping. Being a crapper. Title for tomorrow, Long the VIX? Maybe. Maybe. It was 70 here yesterday and 12 when I got up this morning. Welcome to Missouri. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. SPY moving back down again. 422.18 is the low. It's got like, what is that, 50 cents? 50, 60 cents it's got to go. White House talking. Oh, is that Psaki? She's not going to say anything crazy, I don't think. All right. Amy, 1582. SPY flickering, sitting at 40 degrees here. Jesus, we had hail in San Diego. That's kind of wild. Don't go outside with hail. That would cause severe bodily damage over there. Everything she says is crazy. Had to do it. All right, fine. CEI still running. Yeah, it was above 60 cents last time we checked it. Where's CEI? Yeah, coming up. She'll circle back. Is that what she says? I don't even watch them. I used to watch the what was her name? Kaylee. Kaylee would say stuff that would move things sometimes. Like when Kaylee would say something, like it would move stuff sometimes. Like they would announce stuff. But now it's just like they don't even answer questions. It's not even worth watching. In my mind, I don't watch them. You guys doing another vid in the Discord today? No, we do them on typically we do them Sundays and Mondays, but this week for the long weekend we did Monday and Tuesday. So we'll do it Sunday, Monday of this week. Is this the dip before the rip? I don't know. A lot of people have been saying that for a while, so who knows? SPY is coming back down though, approaching. Not really. I mean, it's got some ways to go before it hits that low of the day. We will start to see the run up for earnings soon. Oh, for AMC, maybe we may not see one with the market. Thanks, SCB. Made tons on SPY puts. Got another meeting to go until close. Johnny, good job, man. Good job on everybody crushing it today. Cue the death cross stories with MSM is just looking out for us. Yeah, I mean, we already got it, didn't we? CEI is coming up a little bit more here. All right, let's see. Wow, CEI is getting up there, man. I mean, I was kind of on the day trade a little bit, but then I was like, yeah, probably not. Probably don't day trade CEI right now. Just flip it back and forth for a couple of bucks. I was like, yeah, I don't know about that. It is coming up though a little bit here. So if you want to take a risk, go for it. I wouldn't. I'm not touching it. But let's see. We haven't gotten it yet on the daily. We got one on the monthly. Interesting. SPY's going down more. Is it right now? Yeah. Here comes SPY. Watch it at 422.18. Don't do it. I'm not doing it. Don't worry. I'm not that stupid. I'm pretty stupid sometimes. Not that stupid. Oh god. News on CEI maybe puts. Is there news on it? No. 6 days ago is the most recent thing. SPY little bounce. Calls for AMI expire Friday. Well, they always expire Friday. TLT and UVXY coming up. Well, TLT and SPY have been moving pretty similar. TLT with some candles. SPY trying to come up too. UVXY. If UVXY is coming up, then SPY's probably going to come down. Yeah, I mean, UVXY's got a red candle here, so it's probably going to allow SPY to come up a little bit. All right, let's see. 18, 16 UVXY. Liz claiming in 4 minutes. Oh, okay. I'll play that. I'll play that for you guys going to the end of the day. Let's see. All right. I think I have the link over here. Let me see. They're usually late. I've got it up over here. I've got Fox Business up here. So we'll watch Liz Clayman and what do you call it? Cojones. Talk about T0. We guess the shorts would try and get the price down as far as they can in order to cover. Yeah, I mean that would be the goal. Is there any news on CEI trade? No, that's not what I've seen. The most recent news on Webull is like 6 days ago. So it could just be a little bit of a pump. Like number 904. I appreciate that. But yeah, also, if you guys don't mind, again, just hitting that like button helps out with the algorithm. That's all I ask. Just engage with the content. It helps get the word out about AMC and these trading strategies that we're using to help people make more money. So yeah, if you guys don't mind, helps out a whole lot. Thank you. Let's see. True Social doesn't let you talk shit about its creators. No, it doesn't. CEI is running. Yeah, CEI is big. I hope he calls out Gasparino. He might. So this dude's just talking about gas, I think. It looks like gas. Yeah, crude oil. He's just talking about oil. Since T0 is a blockchain base, is there a token that can be bought that supports it? It's TZORP, I think. TZOP. Is it TZOP? Is it TZORP? I don't know what it is. T0. TZROP. OTC markets, it's up 28% today with overstock. There it goes. All right. Amy 1576. SPY. Selly over here. TZROP. Yeah, that's what it is. We can leave it up here when they're talking about it. Let's see. It's supposed to be 2 minutes until they talk about it. But we'll see. Oh, Charlie breaks in it on crypto. Wait, Gasparino? No way. No way. Gasparino's going to talk about it? Dude, if Gasparino's going to talk about this, this is going to be hilarious. Just bought the Discord. Chase, welcome, buddy. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Let's see. Who has the cojones to buy spy calls here? Not me, bro. Not me. You'll not see me buying any spy calls today. All right, that would be wild if Gasparino's going to talk to Cojones about this stuff. That'll be hilarious. All right, so they're going to commercial right now. They're always late, but we'll stream it for a little bit and see what they have to say. But here we go, people. It's going to get interesting. So this is T0 up here, just kind of looking to see what they're going to do. Spy's coming down. It's about 10 cents off the previous low of the day. Woo! All right, let's see what we got over here. Let's see what we got. All right, let's see. Spy moving a little bit. What's the deal with the Discord? The Discord will pay for itself in one day or one trade. So I would say go check out the free section of it, but you're literally getting alerts on 300 stocks about in the market with 1348 crosses. Then we have crypto alerts. Then we have different time frames. So I think we have the 30-minute in the 4-hour alerts. I think that's what they are. And then we also are adding every single stock in the Russell 2000 for daily alerts. So you can swing trade shares if you want to. And then you also get access to the 2 private live streams every single week with me, TMI, and Gabe. The alerts are amazing. Thank you, Roland. I appreciate that. Yeah. And again, guys, if you do want to test it out, you essentially get this week free. You can try it out for this week. And if you don't like it, you can cancel before March 1st and you won't get charged, but definitely go in there and try that out. Made $100 on hood swing and puts today. There you go. All right, let's see here. The Saki is saying the sanctions are going to hurt Putin bad. So that might move the SPY. Wow, SPY hit a new low over here. 422. Damn, maybe I got out of those a little too early. Whatever. Can you check the buy button remover hood? Yes, I can. Hood. Down 3.6. Nice little 1348 cross back here and just all the way down. Do you think we'll go under 14 this week? So I need dollar at cost average on AMC? Depends on what the market does. Are yours better? Yes, ours are the best in the market for Discords. Because here's the thing, they're not buy and sell alerts. That's not what it is. It's a strategy that we make so easy to use. I would say right now that our Discord is the best out of any Discord that there is. Now, here's the thing. I'm definitely biased because it's mine and me, Gabe, and TMI's. But the thing is, I think the results are speaking for themselves. Every single person is crushing it. I don't know who Clay Trader is. Made a killing with SPY puts yesterday and today. Ready to play tomorrow, no matter which way the market goes. Thanks, 1348 printing. There you go. There are literally tons of alerts every hour. Exactly. Yeah, SPY coming. Whoa. Dang, SPY. Dang. That is wild. These SPY. All right, hold on. Are we getting Fox back on yet? No, not yet. We'll listen to it and see what they got. Joe Namath commercial. Interesting. You guys should win a Nobel Peace Prize for this 1348 strategy. It's really good. Like, I'm not like, the thing is I would never come out and just be like, all right, here's this thing that could. No, I'm not going to promote something to you guys that doesn't work. Like, it works. You see me use it every single day. Let's see. Who has the best money printer? You or the Fed? Well, definitely the Fed. That Fed wins that one. Let's see here. The Discord is great, but the guys running it are just okay. Just kidding. Love you guys. Ron joined the Discord today. Crushed it on Rivian puts today. Thanks, Ron. There you go. What's the best time frame for 1348? I like the 5-minute. The 4-hour one's kind of already played out for mostly everything. That happened back in. Oh, here we go. Here.
Oh boy, it has been a volatile week for riskier assets due to the Ukraine-Russia conflict. Let's take a look at.
Hey, you know what, Liz Clayman? You're going to need to get our people on there, and I want to see Charlie Gasparino get embarrassed on live television. Why are they talking about crypto right now? It's nonsense. I don't want to hear that. Liz, what are you doing? Oh, man. Spy. It's fine. It's fine. I'm fine. It's fine. I'm fine. All right. Let's see over here. 60% on TQQQ. Dude, 1348 new golden cross, been preaching it, but no one trusts. Dude, everybody trusts it now. Here's the thing. Like you, let's see. Like it is going to be like you might as well get it now because there's going to be a lot of people in there because it's just this. Oh, here it is because the strategy is
on pace
really
for their
good.
largest percentage increase in more than a year after the online retailer reported strong fourth quarter earnings and a new substantial investment in its alternative trading platform T0. As shares of Overstock jumped 23%, Fox Business was the first to report that the Intercontinental Exchange, parent company of the New York Stock Exchange and more than a dozen other exchanges, was taking a minority stake in T0 and placing its own chief strategy officer, David Goon, as the new T0 CEO. Joining us now with more details is Overstock CEO Jonathan Johnson and our own Charlie Gasparino, who was first to break the story. Jonathan, this is major to have the ICE Intercontinental Exchange now take a position in T0 in which you already have an 80% stake. Tell me what this means to the future of T0.
Well, I think this is huge news for T0, and I think it's huge news for the way stocks trade and settle and are cleared in the 21st century. We have always thought that blockchain technology would be a great place for the capital markets. That's why we invested in T0 and its trading system. Now to have ICE, which is the parent company of NYSE, take a significant majority interest in it and have David Goon, ICE's chief strategy officer for over 2 decades, join as T0's CEO. I just think it means the future is bright for T0. We have always thought there ought to be a place where crypto, where NFTs, where security tokens, and where stocks and bonds could trade at the same place. We think we're a step closer to that with this strategic investment from ICE.
Charlie?
Jonathan, thanks for joining us. Couple of things. When is T0 going to be, I mean, when can we trade on this with zero settlement? When can I trade a stock on it? Or at least buy a stock in its market that's made on T0?
Well, I mean, there are stocks trading on there today. Today, Overstock's preferred share trades on T0. You can buy and sell that today, Charlie. It is a relatively limited number of stocks that trade there. But I think with David joining as the new CEO and ICE having an interest, we can expect that to change over time.
So is he going to go out, David going to go out and actively try to enlist, major companies that trade on the New York Stock Exchange to trade on T0?
David has a history of building markets, of building exchanges. I think he'll do with T0 what he's done in the past. And it probably will include just what you asked, Charlie, but I think it's also going to include the new and expanding world of non-fungible tokens. It may include cryptocurrency. I think David is the right person to ask that question. He's the CEO in that chair. He's going to know how to do it and do it best.
What are the chances that the ICE is going to buy the whole thing? I mean, is this a precursor to buying the whole thing where they do have their guy in there?
Yeah, that I don't know. I know that they liked T0 enough to take a significant minority investment in it. We're glad they're on the cap table with us. We also upped our investment by participating in this Series B round. ICE is a great partner. ICE turns out to see more value in T0 and purchase it. That's one possible future I can imagine.
Jonathan, cryptocurrencies have been awfully volatile, and we back in November saw a high of 69,000 for Bitcoin, and right now we're more at like 37,000. We're still in such the nascent stages here. Do you get the sense that ICE is very interested in using this as sort of that toehold, the foundation for really getting involved in a basically a broker dealer that can enable, you guys have 15 different tokens on there right now, but a broker dealer that can enable the ICE to really just jump in head first when it comes to crypto.
I think T0 is a really attractive platform. There's 18 different cryptocurrencies trading on it. There's a handful of other security tokens and stocks trading on it. We like it. We've always liked it. We like it even more now that ICE is getting involved. And I think anyone who makes an investment in T0 sees the future of crypto and digital securities and what they can mean for 20%.
I want to get this in real quickly. Why do you need a 0%, no time settlement? Why does
anytime there's space between purchasing and settlement, there's a chance for mistake. There's a chance for fraud.
There's a chance to catch mistakes too.
Well, but when you have a great ledger like the blockchain is, I think you can rest assured of that. Well, right.
Jonathan Johnson of
Has he not been fucking listening? Why do you need 2-day? Why do you need 0-day settlement? Okay, idiot. Gasparino. Why are there so many failure to delivers out there? Why are there so many, what do you call it, short exempts getting pumped into the market? What wouldn't you want to? Here's the weird thing about Gasparino. He's a retail investor. He likes to think that he's like, oh, I'm big institutional money. Even if he's got a boatload of money, he's still retail. So anything that T0 does and what we as apes are going to do to basically make this market more free and more fair benefits him. He is so stupid. Like, it is he honestly, literally might be the dumbest person in media. And that's saying a lot. Why do you need it? Maybe he's just asking the question. But the way he phrased it after was like, oh, this is stupid. He's like, but you could catch mistakes. It's like, but hey, the mistakes wouldn't happen because it's on the blockchain. It was just instant. You're like, okay, trade settled, done. It's been completed. What type of mistake are you going to do? You know how the mistakes arise? Manipulation, when they're trying to do nonsense. Yeah, he's a dummy. He's a complete dummy. All right, people. So we got 4 minutes left in the day over here. Let's see what we got going on. He's a puppet for Kenny? Maybe. And he timed it at the very end to make sure viewers have doubt after all that explanation. Exactly. He's a complete moron. All right. SPY is just continually making new lows over here. Holy shit. Oh my, SPY. This is wild. Overstock coming down now a little bit. Amy coming up a little bit, even though the SPY's taking a number 2. He's jealous of his peers. Yeah. Aspirino deleted his manipulation tweets. Yeah. He's not a dummy. He likes to play. He is a very big dummy. He's not retail. He's a puppet who gets paid from funds. No. But he's still a retail investor. At the end of the day, he can be making as much money as he wants from let's just say Citadel. Probably not. At the end of the day, how's he going to invest the money? Brokerage account. He's going to give it to somebody. Like, he's still retail if he's managing it himself. Alrighty. Why is the SPY getting slammed so much? It's just fear, man. It's just fear and people rotating out. There's really no place to park capital right now. Let's see here. All right, people. We got 3 minutes left. For all you new people that filtered in, make sure you guys hit that like button on the stream too. Helps out a whole lot. Oh, you guys are doing solid today. Thank you. Appreciate that, guys. Okay. He wants people to talk about him to be relevant. Yeah. But he's not, though. Because if anybody knows what they're talking about, they're like, this dude's a clown. Alrighty. He's jealous of tall people ranging from people. Oh, God. Thank you, SPY. Thank you, STV. Evil Echo. There you go, buddy. All right. Doesn't seem to be asked backwards that someone can be both a retail investor and on the national TV pumping stocks. Yeah. If you had a company and I told you that I would improve some arbitrary process for taking 2 days and being instantaneous, I'm failing to see how someone could argue contrary to that. Exactly. Let's see here. Let's see. STV got wrench. QG Rex. Dude, thank you. I appreciate that super, buddy. Let's see. Gasprio makes more from hedge funds. He doesn't care about retail. Simple. Right. But at the end of the day, he's going to get screwed over in his investments because everybody's going to invest something. He's in the financial industry. Why are there notifications after hours in the Discord when options can't be traded? Because when you have them, when you have the after hours on, it makes it easier it makes everything more smooth. So you can turn them off at the end of the day if you want to. Let's see. Can I pull up Tesla real quick? Yeah. Tesla. All right. Less than a minute to go, people. SPY coming back up a little bit, down 1.73% today. Jesus. AMC, 15 points, $15.76 over here. We want boom booms. I wish we've got boom booms, man. I wish we were getting some boom booms. That would have been pretty fun, huh? All right, less than a minute to go, people. Here we go. Watch when AMC hits. He's going to change his mind as well. Probably. He's trying to justify his job. I don't think you can. Man, should have stayed in my place today. Ain't mad, though. Exactly. Like today, I was in and out of some stuff. Like puts in the morning, puts in the afternoon twice. And that was an absolutely dirty day. So, guys, market is closed. Ding, ding, ding. Amy closed the day at 1573. SPY, 422.07. And then we got GME 114.76. So if you guys are planning on heading out right now, make sure you guys hit that like button on your way out. Just helps out a whole lot. And make sure you guys have your bell notifications turned on for my channel because YouTube's been a little wonky recently. So make sure you have those notifications turned on. You just hit that little bell down there. And again, guys, make sure you take advantage of that offer that we have going on with the Discord. It works. It's a very solid strategy that I want you guys to learn. If you're still having doubts, just try out the alerts for free this week. If you don't like it, just cancel it before Monday. No harm, no foul. We're all good to go. Just go and try it out for yourself. You saw how effective it was today. Everybody was printing money. The link to the Discord is in the top of the chat over there. Make sure you guys go check that out. Other than that, guys, shout out to all the mods. You guys are awesome. All the people being supportive, the members, everybody that's just being positive in the live chat every single day. Thank you guys so much. Other than that, guys, make sure you guys go check out the Discord and peace.